Hello. Welcome everybody to the stream. As always, this is a live stream and not a tutorial. I am just gonna test out some things in the upcoming hour, maybe 2 hours. If I'm really excited and things are going well, then maybe even longer. Who knows? But just don't expect the perfect tutorial. This is just me experimenting, vibing. We have some music in the background. Things can go wrong, and today we are creating a WordPress plugin. Yes, a second attempt, because I already tried to create a WordPress plugin the first time. So, but that went okay. I mean, I got to actually a kind of a nice result. It worked, but it looked kind of ugly. And since then, I've become a lot better at vibe coding, AI coding. I'm a non-coder, okay? I don't know how to code, but I know we need code to make things work. But in today's day and age, we can create stuff without using code. I've already created quite a few cool stuff, but before I show that to you and before I get into everything, let's say hi and welcome to everybody. We have J35, we have Zane. Let me know where you're watching from. That's always nice to hear. Oh, there is the first one. Sergio from Chile is watching. Oh, someone already says he doesn't have the time. Yeah, there is a replay. Just on my channel, if you go to the live tab, this stream will automatically become a replay, as with all streams. So that's a beautiful feature about YouTube. And yeah, we started out with some good car vibes. He is from Belgium, by the way. And wait, I forgot your first name. He is here all the time. What's your first name again? Jay is watching from Malaysia. So in Malaysia, I think we're in the same time zone because I'm in Bali right now. So for me, it's 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. And let me know where. I think 8 p.m. is also in Malaysia, right? South Africa, that's nice. That's the same time zone as my home country, which is 2 o'clock, right? 2 p.m. Lex, oh yeah, Lex, okay. Lex, I'm happy that you're here because we might run into some issues. As always, I might need your help. Ryan is here watching from Orlando. Welcome, Ryan, to the show. Very nice that you're here. FL, what is that, Florida? 8 p.m. Yeah, see? 8 p.m. here as well. A lot of things have happened in the meantime, by the way. And yeah, I want to give you a little bit of update on what has happened, what I have built. So yeah, let's just get into it. Yeah, it's 2 p.m. there. Great, yeah. My brain still works at this time of the day, which is great. Okay, let's put the music a little bit more down so we can hear. You guys can hear me. How is the sound, by the way? Is it good? Is it smooth? Do you hear me? Do you hear the music? I hope everything is fine. Okay, we have a few people watching now. I'm very happy that you guys are all here. So let's get into it. I'm gonna switch my screen to... Wait, to which one? To this one. Yes. Okay, I want to update you guys a little bit before we get started. So we have a little bit of background information because I have been vibe coding some stuff. And as many of you know, since if you've watched my YouTube video, Website Sell Kit was one of the projects we did in a live stream like this, where we started with a AI design, actually. I think I used, what did I use? I used the tool, was it Magic Patterns or something? I don't know. But it created the design, and then we asked Bolt in order to create this. I'm a huge fan of Bolt, if you didn't know. And Bolt has actually announced that they are working on something incredibly powerful, which is a integrated database and lovable as well. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but this kind of shit makes me really excited about the future. Let me just quickly show you. Because if this launches, then vibe coding goes to a whole new level, which I'm really excited about. Here, Bold Clouds, which is, it's an announcement that they did. It will include hosting, domains, authentication, which right now is done via separate database, file storage, SEO even, payments even. Wow, that's cool. And database, like I said, and analytics. So soon, guys like me, who don't really have coding skills, can do a lot more. And so this is really cool. And Lovable has also announced something like that. Lovable Dev. I've made 2 videos about them. Just basic ones, making a simple website. And yeah, I don't know when they posted it. I think it was like a month ago. They're probably still working on it. But Lovable has also announced that they're working on a backend, integrated backend system. So that is incredibly exciting because that means we can do a lot more cool stuff. So yeah, let's see. Let's see how Cursor works for you. I personally switched to Codex, the new version they released with my ChatGPT Plus account. What? Who released that? ChatGPT? Codex. I am not sure. Again, I'm not a developer, eh? I am just a designer that knows stuff about UX, which helps tremendously. I have realized. UX skills are very, very important when it comes to AI coding. But let me show you. So I created website style kit with Bolt, which works perfectly. You can create a color palette. In the meantime, I did add quite a bit of features to it. For example, have you seen how the button automatically switches to a dark text if the contrast becomes too bad? These little details are nice, right? And there's a contrast checker now built in. So when the contrast is too bad, like over here, then it will give you a warning, and then you need to change the colors in order to change the contrast. So you see, so the contrast is now good. How cool is that? But this system doesn't have a backend. Okay, it's just a front end, and this plugin today that we're going to create is also quite easy. It should automatically connect with WordPress. And of course, I created toolsforlater.com. I've been adding a lot of things here. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but this is connected to a database. This is actually connected to Supabase. So this is actual like a WordPress website, similarly, where you have posts and yeah, you can filter stuff here on the side. By the way, I found this one today, really cool. Whoa, look at that website. But apparently this is a free AI that runs locally on your machine. I don't know. I haven't tested it, okay? I just saw it somewhere. And yeah, I honestly think that this is going to be huge in the future because these AI models are going to become smaller and our computers will become better. I mean, smaller. They're going to become, well, not smaller in context size, but probably in file size. So I think that in the future we'll be able to run AIs for free on our machine. And I've already heard some companies that are wanting to release, for example, mobile phones with a built-in large language model, which runs locally on your phone. So it's private. It doesn't consume internet. You can use it without internet. Yeah, it's good for privacy and it's free and safe, like they say over here. So that's really, really cool. But I'm already getting distracted. I'm just saying, like, this project still works, okay? We created it like, I don't know, a month, 2 months ago. And I've been adding things here. So you guys can also go here and find cool tools if you want. There's an admin area. This all still works. I've been updating it. As you can see, a lot of resources, very cool stuff. And yeah, what else? What else have I created? I've been building something. Can I already show that? Yeah, maybe not, maybe later. I've been building another system which is connected to a database. It's a template library, which is going to be really cool. By the way, if you have a tool, you can submit it still, if you want. So you can go to the website toolsforlater.com and you can click on review or submit, and then there's a form, and then you can submit, and then this gets added to the website, and then I can check it and accept it. Really cool. We can all use this. It's kind of like a little Google for creative tools for development, design, etc. So yeah, that is what I've been doing. Am I forgetting something? Oh, I've also built a Figma plugin. Have you guys seen that? Let me show you something. So if you go to the Figma community, I haven't shared this. I still need to make a video about it, but my Figma plugin got accepted 2 days ago, which is really cool. So website style kit. If you search for that, you will see website style kit by Reno. Look, that's me. It has been used by 4 users because it's super new. But this plugin allows you to copy the styles, copy the JSON code, and then import this template into Figma. Okay. Where is it? Here. So that it automatically adds the styles to your Figma and also the text styles. Right now I'm having a little problem with it, so I'm redoing some parts. But these 2 things work. So you can convert or import or export your colors and typography from websitestylekit.com to the Figma plugin. So you can find this right now in the Figma plugin directory. Really cool, right? So very happy with the progress so far. And yeah, so now I want to try something else. Now I want to try to create an option pages plugin. So what is that? Well, oh, wait, this is interesting. Okay, there's somebody here who's never used an AI editor before. Oh, wow, that's okay, that's interesting. I'm sometimes always assuming that everybody is on the same level, but that's of course not the case. Everybody is different experience, so this is going to be fun. I'm happy that you have never seen it, because that means you can yeah, see if it's something for you. But what did I want to say? Oh yeah, an option pages plugin. So I don't know if you know, so let's do WordPress option pages plugin. ACF Pro and CrocoBlock have this. And it's basically an input field that you can then use throughout your whole website. So what that means is, let's say you have a website and there is a phone number, but that phone number is used in like 5 different places on the website, maybe even more, 10 different places. How are you going to make sure that that phone number is updated everywhere? And so what if it changes, right? Right now, if you're using a page builder like Elementor, then what you have to do is you just have to go to the specific layer and then edit the content, which of course is not perfect. So you can turn it into a dynamic thing so that you only have to change the phone number in one place and it updates everywhere where you've used that phone number. Same for an email, same for social media handles, so stuff like that. So that is really cool, and that is possible because I did it before. Can I show that? Yeah, I think I can. So let me just go to YouTube. Yes, Reno de Boer. I'm just gonna look for myself. And then live. It's a little while ago. Yeah, 3 months ago, I did this live stream. And we got to a point. Can you still see it? Yeah, you guys can still see it. Let me just check it. Oh, shit. Here you can see it. But back then, here, wait. Where is it? Here. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is what we created, okay? it was, you have a field, for example, your company name as well. Company name is also something that you want to display in multiple places, and that's not always the same as your website name. Not always. So, telephone number, yeah, address is also a great one. VAT number, sometimes you use that. Yeah. So why not use ACF or Jet Engine, whatever. It says up to date, secure, maintain well. Yes, absolutely. That is true, but the big thing is that ACF Pro is quite expensive, and CrocoBlock is also not free, and so there's not really a free option unless you use custom code. And so I thought we're just gonna make an option pages plugin for anyone that doesn't have these tools yet. So it's kind of like a step up. At some point, I think it's better to buy a plugin like CrocoBlock and do it in a proper way. But I like to use AI to make tools available for free. And I want to say something about that. I think it's beautiful that we live in a time now where AI can make things a lot cheaper. And I don't think that using AI should only result in more SaaS that are paid. If things become cheaper in the future, I think that the cost of these things should go down. And, you know, I make my money in different ways, so I just like it to just, you know, hop on a live stream like this and just try to create something and then make it available for free for the community. And yeah, maybe not be the best because I don't have a whole lot of time to work on it, but with simple stuff, it can be fine. I'm not trying to make a replacement for ACF or CrocoBlock, of course, because that is really not possible easily. So yeah, let's see what you guys are saying. You can also do this with ACF free, setting up. Well, we'll see, Lex. I don't think you can. Well, you can make a CPT, but that's way too much. Because a CPT has posts, and a post has a title. It has a text box, and yes, you can turn that off. But then how are you going to load one specific post in? Right, you have to then go into Elementor and then select that specific post type and then search for that specific name. It's like, it's a little bit too much of a hassle. That's why ACF and CrocoBlock also offer an option pages version. I will actually show you. I will install ACF Pro and show you what we're gonna try to build. Matt Mercer's created, he installed ACF Pro and put it on WordPress repo, so kind of free. Yeah, but that's gone already. That was, of course, that move from Matt was absolutely not respected in the WordPress community. But now we don't have that version anymore where ACF Pro is here. ACF Pro is a free version, but you also have Pods. Pods, yeah, that's a good one. I don't know if Pods has a option pages plugin. If so, then I would like to see. But my idea is to have this plugin running next to ACF. So for people that want to start for free, they can have ACF. ACF is a very nice experience, and then you can have that as an extra for free. That's the goal. Okay. So someone on X made a Chrome extension that you can use anytime. Click on component and extension generates code to Chrome components. So AI is amazing. Yeah, yeah, it is absolutely amazing. It still exists. Okay. maybe. Let's check it out. Maybe we can use it as inspiration. Again, I'm not trying to compete with anyone. Okay, I just want to see if we can make a plugin. This is just me trying to keep my, how do you say it, make my feet wet with AI. I want to stay on top of it, and today it's an option pages plugin. Maybe next time is something else. It's just to test what we can do, okay? People won't let you build. Yes, exactly. Just let me build the damn thing. No, but I want to test it. Let's see what we have first, and then we can use that as inspiration. So we're going to check out secure custom fields. And also, we're going to install ACF Pro. Yeah. Okay. We're going to do it. So let's switch. We're going to go to Chrome again. And we're going to close this one. Let's see what we have, because I prepared. Do you guys see my tabs? Yeah, you do see that, right? Okay, let's close this. So I created a simple WordPress install. By the way, let me change the music to something more relaxing. Again, this is unprepared, guys. I don't know if this is gonna work. We'll see. We're just gonna try, okay? Yeah, thank you, Lex, for the support. I love you to trying out AI. And I think it's much easier for non-tech people. Yeah, exactly. This is just it. I'm not saying I want to compete. I'm just testing out. I want to see what you can do with AI. That's why I'm trying to live stream often. Last few months were crazy, and there were some problems that I had to deal with in my personal life. But I'm trying to do one live stream per week. Okay, so let's also try to install like ACF Pro. For the people that don't know how I'm doing this, by the way, I'm using LocalWP. So this is a tool that you can install, and you can run WordPress for free, but it's not live. You can share a link, but only if your computer is on, then you can share the link. So if your computer is off, the website is offline. So your computer is the server, basically. But it's perfect to test out things, because you don't want to, go into your hosting, etc. And the beauty about this, because it's offline, is that it's just a folder on your computer. It's not on the host. It's not on a server, because you are the server. And so you can then work with a tool like Cursor, which we are going to use. Cursor. Which, by the way, also have a web version right now. But then you can use a tool like Cursor and then just write to the files directly. And that's what I did wrong the first time when I started using AI. Wrong, I didn't know. I just used ChatGPT, right? Like this. Into a code snippet plugin, but then I constantly had to copy and paste. So now we're going to use a better method where we can use Cursor, and then once we click yes, it automatically updates the plugin. And the only thing we have to do here is refresh, and we can test the new technology, the new version. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so a little bit of explanation for the people that are not familiar with this, because I know sometimes the chat, the real developers, they take over the conversation a little bit, and I also I don't want this stream to become too developer, but of course I also need to think like a developer. So yeah, Lex says, I've also been testing with AI during my new day job as a WordPress specialist. Very nice. It's so nice for creating snippets. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Local allows you to edit the code on WordPress. Yeah, exactly. It's so freaking good. Yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna do. Being local as it is, isn't it gonna present problems when trying to optimize and checking the stats for optimization in the real world? What do you mean? Like, what is the difference with like pushing it to GitHub? Like, you need to do a security check and optimize it before you publish it, of course, but it doesn't matter if you run it, test it on your machine, or you push it to GitHub directly. I mean, you should just check it before you publish it, okay? All right, so let's upload ACF Pro as well. Let me see if I still have that one in my folder on my computer. ACF Pro, yes, I still have it. I mean, not using the real server, the final one. Isn't it? Yeah, but what is your problem? What is your question then? Optimization in the real world. I'm still not so sure what you mean, but maybe someone else. Everyone has different specs on their local machine. A good server shouldn't have that big of a difference. Oh, that's what you mean. The slowness. Yeah, I mean, depends on the server and on your computer. Yes, exactly like what this guy is saying. I don't know what your name is, but yeah, it depends. It also depends on if you run it via a server. It also depends on your internet connection, right? How fast the data is coming back to you. So it depends on many things. Okay, let me... Oh, that's nice. Okay, it has already replaced it. Let me refresh. Okay, ACF. Here, this is the option page. Activate your license to enable access to updates. Yeah, okay, I think we can just upgrade to ACF Pro. Huh? This is ACF Pro, isn't it? It's already Pro. What's the problem? Or do I need to set up my license? Yeah, probably. Okay, let me just put in my license, which you guys are not gonna see. 1 second, ACF. Let me just put in my license key. Yes, it has been activated. So I have a lifetime deal for ACF, so now it should work. Option pages. You cannot have both of you running at the same time. Oh, you mean like your local and your live version? Yeah, I mean, we're just testing, we're just seeing. It doesn't matter if it's live or not. Okay, so now we have option pages. This is what I'm gonna try to build, okay? So the goal here is to have some kind of page here that says like business info. Let's just call it that. Business info. Menu slug, sure. Parent, no parent. Advanced, let's see what we have. Menu icon. Yeah. Why is there no icon library here? Do I need to go to a separate link? Come on. So here, let's try to find for building. Yeah, let's just try this one, whatever. This is the code. Did it open a new tab? Yes, okay. Menu title, business info. Menu position, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 4. And let's see. If we now save it, we should have... Oh, who? I said 4. How is this 4? Wait, that's weird. 6. Let's do 6. Looks like it's jumping in numbers of 2. Nah, whatever. Who cares? We have this tab over here now. And now we have to create fields in here. Okay. No custom field. Yeah, create a custom field group. So you're saying here, you're saying like fields group 1, doesn't matter. And you put in here business name. That's the first name. Okay. It's going to be a text field. We're going to add another one. Wait. Huh? Close. Oh, here. And for example, let's do a number. Text area number. A phone number. Okay. All right. Save the changes. So now, if we go to business info. Oh, huh? Wait. It probably needs to connect it to the... Yeah, this is what I mean. It's already a few steps here. Now you need to connect it to the actual thing, which is equal to option page is equal to business info. Okay, so now if you click save changes, we go here. You see, now we have 2 fields. And now we can put something in here. So let's say the business name is RDB Media and my phone number is 1234 and then with 3 9s. You click on update. Now we can use this data inside of Elementor. Okay, so let's say that we have a page. Oh, we don't have a theme yet. Wait. No, I don't want this. Go away, thank you. Themes. That's the thing that's keeping me from using local. I prefer having a real server to have perfect idea of how we have to. It depends, like what you're building. Like it depends if that's what I understand. If things need to connect with a server, but the plugin I'm building right now, there's no real server connection. It's just a database. very simple stuff. So it's actually very fast if you develop locally. You can see it. People always say WordPress is so slow. It's like, no, it's not. The default WordPress is actually really fast. But people think that WordPress by itself is slow, but all of the shit they install on top of it, that is what makes it slow. And of course, if your plugin is not developed in the right way, I'm not saying, you know, I can do that in a perfect way, because I cannot. So annoying that WordPress always installs like 3 themes. Like, what are they doing? So incredibly annoying. Plugins. Oh, we already have an update. Okay. Yeah, exactly. For this plugin, it's very, very nice to do that. Okay. So now we're gonna go, we have our business info in here. So now we're gonna go to pages, add new. We're just gonna call this home, all right? I just publish it, who cares? It's local. Elementor should also be really fast now. Elementor always takes a few seconds to load, unfortunately. Okay, this is way too long. Why did it take so long? Maybe it's the first time. Whatever. So let's say that we're gonna... Can we do some templates here? Yeah, we can. Okay, so let's say that... let's do this footer. Or this one. Should have a normal name now. Just changed it. What do you mean, Rick? Hey, Rick, did you change your YouTube name? Yeah. You are now called Rick. It's the same person, right? Yeah. Okay, at least we know your name now. Okay, so now we can go in here and be like, wait, we are... Oh, you changed it. Okay, I understand, Rick. Okay, so nice, Rick, that you're here. So now we can go in here and just say like, I am an award-winning, or let's say, you know, my company name, RDB Media, is an award-winning full stack. Okay, so normally this is how you would do it, right? But now this name, we're gonna replace that with a shortcode. Okay, so what you would do then, is you would just delete this, go in dynamic tags, ACF fields, option page, business name. And then it showed RDB Media, and then you say after, and then you just delete this first part. So now it should say here, RDB Media is an award-winning full stack, whatever. So that works now. It's a smart dynamic field. And so let's say that here, this title is also going to be that same dynamic field. Wait, I'm going too fast. Like this, yeah. And then in here, we're gonna put our phone number. Wait, can we do that with a shortcode? I don't know. I don't know what ACF has. Okay, this is also one of the things that I want differently in my plugin. I want to be able to quickly copy the shortcode if people want to use a shortcode in the text editor right here. Because right now, in this... Wait, no. Wait. Here, dashboard. That's why I don't like this, the ACF version. Even though it's great, it works. But like, it's not as simple, okay? Sorry, I just burped. Wait, what did I want to show? So, hello, hallelujah, you know. Oh yeah, the shortcode. So there's no shortcode here. Maybe in the settings, option pages? Is there some kind of way to show the shortcode? I don't see that. So that's what I also want, so that you can easily put it in there. But now, okay, let's say that we are not called RDB Media, but RDB Medio. We click update. So now if you go back to our page and we refresh this page, here, it's changed here and it's changed here. So this is, now you see how it works. It updates everywhere. So imagine having this for your phone number, your email address, your business name, everything that's repeated throughout the website. With a plugin like this, you can do that. Really, you can update it from one single place, which is amazing, right? Enjoy it. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Okay, so that's what we're gonna try. Let's also try the other plugin. What was the other plugin again that you guys were mentioning? Wait, I just need to stay in Elementor here, and then the other plugin that you guys were mentioning. What was that? Let me scroll back in the comments. Secure custom field. Secure? Oh, no. Secure custom fields. That was the one from Matt. That doesn't exist anymore. Oh, it still does. Huh? Updated one day. Huh? Wait. What is happening? Did he still publish it? When is this published? Did they... What the hell? Did they steal it? Again? Or is this... What the hell? Maybe Matt never removed it. No. Rick, what happened is that Matt took over ACF. They had the same URL. I know that for sure. This version didn't exist because he took over ACF, and now probably after he lost the lawsuit, he probably has created another version, because legally he can fork a plugin, but he cannot really, well, probably. I'm not a legal advisor, but that's probably what happened, that the court said that he could not replace ACF, but he could fork it, and fork it is making a copy, a duplicate, right? So it's still stealing, like Rick says. And yeah, now there are two. So, oh my god, I didn't know this happened. Oh, that's interesting though. So does that mean that we now have... Oh, here, it even mentions ACF. Look at this. Installing this plugin will deactivate with matching functions, specifically advanced custom fields and Pro, and the legacy secure custom to the legacy to avoid code errors. The same behavior as ACF Pro. Oh my god. Wait. So now we have ACF Pro still for free? Oh, this is interesting. Okay, I want to check this out real quick before we get started. Oh my god. It's always like this in the live stream. I'm like so excited. I want to say so many things, and then but this is very interesting, right? He stole it, got a flag for it, then reversed it. Now he put a duplicate out based on the original that don't work. And there's still things that don't work in secure. Oh, really, Sergio? Oh, you'd already tested this one. Did you test it? Is this a good plugin? Okay, let's test it. Install. So maybe it's gonna deinstall secure custom ACF now. This is so interesting. These wars that these guys are doing. Incredible. ACF is always up to date, latest version. Yeah, I mean, of course, because they are developing it. But now it can maybe happen that secure custom fields is going to turn into something else. Because they have a separate developers, right? Matt has his own developers. You see? ACF Pro automatically disconnected. Here, secure custom fields. Option pages. Hey, huh? Wait, it has imported the data? Wait, Matt is crazy. How did he do that? Hey, Born, you're back. Nice. What's going on? Yeah, we're trying to build an option pages plugin, but I got distracted because I just realized secure custom fields, which Goes back to the whole drama from last year where Matt stole ACF. It's now back in the plugin directory. I just installed it, and now I see that it's literally importing the data from Advanced Custom Fields Pro. That's under the hood. They're essentially the same. Yeah, I mean, I know, but I now think that, you know, the idea of forking is that you make a duplicate and then you can turn it into something else, right? That's the idea of forking. So now it still works. Wait, what happened to our Elementor page? This is so interesting. Let's refresh this. Yes, ACF. Yeah, ACF is back. I mean, that one I knew, but now secure custom fields is also back, and it still works. Oh wait, that's probably because the data is still in the database. Wait, let's try duplicate. And then for this one, we're gonna do ACF. Huh? It's still called ACF. Where's secure custom fields now? Do you see this, guys? This is weird. Is it using the same database in the background? What the hell? Maybe Rick has an answer. If one plugin uses database value and the plugin 2 also use the database value, they will share the same data. But is that not still then stealing? I don't understand. It's exactly the same, Bjorn. I don't understand. And I believe if you search for this dynamic, so he's just lazy with it, you know? That's what Matt also did the first time. He was lazy and he didn't even bother to change the name in some places. Unbelievable. FreeCPT, Fields plugin, Pods, Metabox, ACPT. Okay, I didn't know that. I don't like Pods though. Maybe they improved it. They store the data the same way. I don't know what I think about this. I don't know what my opinion is on this. Oh wait, let's go back. And then, you know what? We're just gonna put ACF Pro back. Can we do that? No, we can't. We should first deactivate this and then activate this. Yeah, okay, now it's back. All right, business info, it still works. This one still works. Let's refresh. Yeah, still works. Okay. All right, so now we can get started. I want to try one more thing. Just stick with AC. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm doing. MIFAS. MIFAS? I don't know. You're committing a crime. Yeah, exactly. I mean, I'm not. Hey, chill out. For a small project, I prefer secure custom field simply because I don't need to leave my ACF license on me. What do you mean? Like, they cannot see it, right? Because it's blurred. Or do you think that they will run away with your life? I mean, that Rick. I don't understand. But okay. What was the other plugin you guys were saying? Pods, Metabox. Yeah, also, okay, Metabox has rebranded lately. I don't know, does Metabox have like, no. Here. Does Metabox have option pages? Yes or no? Metabox, let's see. And also let's, what was the other one you said? ACPT? I've never heard of that one. Huh? This one. 100 installs? How do you even know this shit? That's weird. Pods, yeah, Pods I've tested. That's a big one. 100 installs. That's tiny. Okay, this one is 100,000 installs. Okay, I just quickly want to check out these two, and then yeah. I don't trust people. It's possible. Yeah. Okay. All right. I also don't have unlimited. Okay, I understand, Rick. But can they really steal it? Can they? Here, let's try. Tools. Updates. Deactivate. I don't think they can steal it. See? It's locked if you connect it. I began my journey in green shift. Oh, I think I bought green shift, but I never had the time to test it. ACPT is well known there. How? It says only has 100 installs. But I don't know if, I don't think they can get it, Rick, to be honest. I don't know. They can if they know how. The average user doesn't. Okay, alright. Well, you're just really protective. I respect that, Rick. Okay, so we have 2 new plugins. Metabox. Wow, that was quick. Want to advanced features. There's a lot going on here. I like that they put tutorials in your face immediately. Okay, that's one. And we also have Pods. Pods admin. Can we do option page? Oh, so ugly. Come on. Are we still in 2006? This is so incredibly ugly. Oh my goodness. Houses. Pods, I'm just calling it. Dynamic feature pods. Wait, make this content available for dynamic features in Pod and WordPress. What the hell? Publicity, oh, queryable. Okay, advanced. Enable REST. Okay. This is not. No, this is a custom post type. I want to have maybe that's an option page, settings page. Let's try. Page title. Business info pods. Let's try. Add to the settings menu. This is probably it, right? Yep, the design. Yeah, come on. This is so ugly. Where is it? Did it create something? Oh, there's no fields. Where is it? Here, refresh. It didn't add it. Admin UI. Okay, let's first add a field. Business name pod. Plain text. Okay, I'm just gonna try one field. Save the pod. Options. Where is it? Options. Here? Where is it? Can I not find it? Here. Labels. Normal settings form. Classic editor. Looks like classic editor from Post UI. I don't like this plugin. This is a plugin that's been made by a developer 15 years ago, and he never cared to improve it. To make the experience nicer. I cannot live with this kind of shit. Like, how do I just add it to the left menu? How hard is it? Shortcodes, okay. Let's try that. Admin UI, normal settings form. Custom. Yeah, I don't know what this means. I don't even know how to add it to the left menu. Exactly, Sergio. I cannot live with this. I mean, I'm sorry, bots. I know you have fans, but I am not one of them. Deactivate. Metabox, yeah, let's try that. Where's the dashboard for Metabox? Who? Who? Huh? Dashboard. What? They don't add a menu? They don't add a get started. Huh? Hey. Hey. That's not what I wanted. I want to go back. Yeah. Upgrade. Cool. Look at this. Upgrade. You're cool if you're upgrade. Okay. Oh, here we can see the features. So let's see if we can find option pages. Option. Or settings. Creates custom settings pages. That's probably it, I guess. Let's see. Relationship. Oh, relationship is part of the free. That's really nice. Because in Jet Engine and ACF, that's a paid feature. Migration from ACF Pods and toolset. Integration with Elementor. Okay, that's nice. Custom fields with UI. Post taxonomies. But I don't see the option page here. Do you guys agree? And how do we even get started with it? Pods is puke emoji. Yeah, exactly. Does the engine have a free version? No. No, maybe they should. See? So the only real option we have is ACF Pro or secure custom fields if you can live with that. But the experience isn't great. I mean, it kind of works, but we don't have the simple copy the shortcode, which you sometimes need. Okay, so let's now get started. I think I've made my point. Oh, 1 second. Yeah, I think I've made my point that we can do better, okay? And again, we're not really competing. We just want to make something that is great. This looks very clean though, so want something like this, but then also with copy fields. Okay, thanks for exploring. Yeah, okay, nice. Thanks, Lex. I spent the first few minutes of this live stream exploring, but it's important. Time to wake up when the alarm goes off. No, it's not wake up. It's an alarm that I should stop working. But on the day of the live stream, I have an exception. I have a rule with my girlfriend that I should not work too much because I love my work a little bit too much, and so I should stop on normal days with work. So that we can still spend some time together. But the live stream is an exception. So I'm good. Okay, I'm good. Yeah, I think UI-wise ACF plugin is the best. Is absolutely. The UI of ACF is incredible. It's so easy. It's nice. This is what WordPress should look like. I feel like, I mean, it's still a bit outdated, but at least this is very, very easy. Not like the bots bullshit that we just saw. This is very easy to use for everyone. That's why I like to use ACF in my tutorials often. Do you have a feature list we can see? Okay, let's make a feature list. Good idea. Let's start there. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT. All right. Here, look. Wait. Uh-oh. Can I show it? Here, this one. This one. It's a button. These are buttons. I can switch. The cable's not long enough. I can click to show a different screen. But now I want to go to something else. Cursor. Yeah, okay, this one. Cursor. All right. So cursor. Yeah, okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a PRD document in here. So that cursor has some kind of guidance. And also in here we can reference the WordPress documentation, okay? Because in here they have WordPress documentation here, the official WordPress documentation. So we can be sure, or at least that's what we hope, that the quality of the code is gonna be good, okay? So that's what we're gonna do, and now we're gonna make a feature list. Did you know there's a WordPress admin redesign? Yes, it's been on the way for 2 years. What are they doing? Did you also know the average WordPress development speed? It takes another yeah, exactly, Rick. We're on the same page. I was making a feature list in Google Notes or Excel, and then I could get a good look at it and plan out my plan of coding. Helps me get so yeah. That's of course a good idea. But this plugin is very simple. I think we can just get started inside of ChatGPT. But before we do. Oh shit. Sorry. My sound was off. Uh-oh, sorry. It's back. It's back. Music chill though. Vibe music for vibe coding. All zen, no talking. It's okay now. Okay, sorry. I switched the scene, but the mic was off. Sometimes that happens. Also, when I use AI for coding, always I use for snippets block of code. If I find I have to try to do a whole plugin at once, it's not as efficient. Yeah, exactly. But snippets are great for little functionality. But if you want a little bit more, then it's not always good to put everything in one piece of code, even though you can. But yeah, okay, let's just get started. I don't know if this is gonna work. Add menu. Menu slug. Okay, let's try. We're gonna copy this and we're gonna go to cursor. Cursor. Yes. And then we're gonna open a project. Do you guys see this? Yes, you can. So, oh no, now we need to find that folder. Where is it? Local sites. Wait, is it in here? No. Wait. Run the board local. Here, local sites. There we go. Option pages plugin v2. Yeah. There we go. Okay, so this is what I mean. Can you guys see this? Yeah, you can. Okay, so here you can see the plugins that we just installed. Okay, and here option pages Reno. That's it. It's just an empty folder. Okay. Yeah, I know, but we had to select it from cursor. Okay, so now we're in here. So now we're gonna create a file. Wait, why are we doing this in ChatGPT? And why is this in? Wait, we're just gonna start in cursor. Create a plugin WordPress. No, wait. I'm already making a mistake. I first need to create a PRD document before I do that. Or not. Oh no, wait. I first wanted to just test whether it works, whether it actually connects with WordPress, okay? Oh my god. Sometimes I'm so chaotic in my mind. Create a simple plugin to test simple WordPress plugin with the name option pages Reno that contains nothing, and then app start WordPress. Let's see if this works. I have no idea. And then after this, we're gonna create a PRD. GPT-5 is actually scary good. Yeah, interesting. Like I am interested to see what's gonna happen. I have it on auto now. I have the paid version of Cursor. So it should be able to work. You're already inside of your existing. Shouldn't you create a new folder? Why? What do you mean? It's just a folder with a PHP file. I think that's enough. Why not? Plugin structure. I will create the main plugin file, necessary supporting files. Okay, let's see. Okay, it has created some file. Keep. Perfect. Okay. It has created something. Let's see. So if we're gonna save this and we go back to WordPress, Chrome, and we go to plugins. Here, option pages Reno. A simple WordPress plugin for option pages. Version 1 by Reno. Activate. There we go. It works. This is what I mean. Oh, my bad. Thought It was the plugin you showcased that already did something. No. We're just creating super simple something from blank. It has nothing. Let's see. Cursor, what it actually did. Yeah. See? Okay, so now we are ready to create a PRD, and then we're gonna do that. We're gonna put in the PRD, and we're also gonna a product requirement document for the people that don't know what that is. It's just an instruction of what it needs to do, and then we're also gonna tell it that it needs to be a WordPress specialist so that it follows all of the best practices for WordPress. Okay, so are you guys ready for some ChatGPT action? Okay, so I'm gonna go to ChatGPT. Yes. And then we're just gonna talk a little bit with it and see if we can come up with a plan. I want to create an option pages plugin for WordPress, and it should be really simple to add new fields to it. Each field should have a text input field, and next to it should be a button that allows you to copy the data into a shortcode. I'm not sure if this is good what I'm doing right now. Do you need that for cursor, or is it not required? It's not required, but it should give you a better output. You mean cursor have all the infos about WordPress when you type? Yes, exactly. That's what I already did. So we're gonna do that. But I think what I've seen in a video from WordPress itself is that you have to like create a document. I hope you publish this video. Yes, I will publish this video. It's automatically, when I press stop, it automatically will turn it into a replay so you can see it. Okay, so I want to create an option pages plugin for WordPress, and it should be really simple. Wait, I'm gonna paste it a screenshot because I want something like we had in the first round. Do you remember? Chrome, where was it? It was here. I'm just quickly gonna grab, yeah, something like this, but then a prettier one. Here. Like this. Just gonna take a quick screenshot. Copy. And we're gonna go to ChatGPT. Wait, is the music off? Yeah. Okay. Let's put on some techno. Because right now we're gonna get to action. Yeah. Okay, ChatGPT. Something like this, which I made before. I need you to help me to write a PRD, but the design should be good, modern, like ACF. The user should be able to add fields themselves. In the first version of the plugin, I had some basic fields like company info, telephone number, email. But now I want people to be able to add some fields themselves. But maybe we can do some default fields as well. Maybe that's nice. Maybe first have some default fields, get that to work, and then yeah, maybe that's better. And then let them add more fields later. I've also learned when prompting with AI is that you should not put too much in the beginning. Even though ChatGPT 5 is better, AI is not flawless. And so you should build it up in steps. That's better than just dumping it all at once at him. Have you ever coded? I'm a software engineer, but I used WordPress for smaller project, and when I've watched some of your videos, you seem to have a really good understanding of how things work. Well, thank you, Tijan. I think when you've done no-code development for a long time, you understand how the web works. Like maybe I don't know the codes, but I understand how things work. I understand, you know, that some parts are just in the code. Some parts are data that moves, that's in the database and that gets loaded in. Like I understand the concepts, even though I don't understand the code. So that helps me to be quite effective, I think. But okay, let's focus. I want to create an option page plugin. It should be really simple to, okay, so this one we're gonna skip for later. Each field, okay, there should be 3 default fields: business name, email, and telephone number. Each field should have a text input field, and next to each is a button that allows you to copy the data from the shortcode so that you can use that somewhere else. Something like this image. I need you to help me to write the BRD. Design should be good, modern, like ACF. Okay. Yes, that's it for now. We're just gonna see. I just like his design videos. Okay, yeah, I mean, it's interesting, right? I mean, some people watch my videos that just come for the design. Some people already know design and they come for development. It's beautiful. I think I'm better at design than I am at development, but I'm pretty sufficient now with no code development. But like, some people would say that's not real development. I think it is. I think development is a lot more than coding these days. Okay, what do we have? Option page plugin provide website owner a centralized location. Yeah, the plugin allows administrators to update the business info. Yeah, then your shortcodes to display. Yeah, copy clipboard. Yeah, for modern, clean, consistent. Goals. Default fields. Yeah. Text input, display, shortcode, copy. Yeah. Scope. Yeah, this is cool. Oh, I love this song. Listen to this music. Okay. I was just jamming a little bit. Shortcode, save the setting, option API, copy, nice to have, add custom fields. No, we're not gonna have a nice to have. This kind of shit, it messes up your AI. Like ChatGPT always does that. It's like, oh, you can also maybe do this, and then the AI is like, I don't know. Okay, why is it so long? It's too much. You're gonna make it confused. It's too long. Make it shorter. Make it compactor. The AI shouldn't be confused. Make sure you don't repeat too much shit. Yes, better. Okay. Blue, purple accents. A plugin, admin pages, refields, shortcodes, copy button, modern. Okay, that's better. Okay, so now we're gonna oh my goodness. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, we cannot copy the whole thing. And then where do we need to put this? I don't exactly remember in cursor. Rick says, I don't think people that vibe code are developers. Yeah, I mean, I do not agree with this at all. I mean, developers, I also develop websites, okay? Yeah, I can make a whole rant about this. But Coders are not just developers. I for sure know how to fix bugs and problems after all these years, trust me. It's like, it has nothing, well, it has sometimes to do with code, but no. Developers, there's no-code developers now, there's coding developers. There are more types of developers, that's my opinion. Okay, we're gonna have to go to cursor and then put the PRD somewhere. And I'm not sure if I remember where that was, so I'm quickly gonna do a search. To cursor rules. Was it rules or PRD? Wait, PRD documents. Where do we put it? Create a PRD document. Yes. So where did I put it? Cursor rules. Features. Break down your application. Yeah, but where do we put it? Do you guys remember? Or do you guys know? Wait, I'm just gonna... everyone entitled to their own... Yeah, that's exactly, of course. Okay, so... where do... Wait, why do I start a new chat? ChatGPT. Where do I put the PRD in cursor? I forgot. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me for complex websites. WordPress makes it even harder than just coding the sites from scratch. Maybe I'm not good enough with... Well, harder. No, it's not harder. For me, for just because you know code, right? But for people that don't know code, it's absolutely not harder because it's no code is considered easier, right? But yeah, if you know code, maybe it's faster to do it without. But you can work really fast in WordPress if you work with blueprints, okay? You pre-install stuff. Okay, markdown files instead of your project, docs. Oh, wait, it's an actual file. prd.md. Was it? Okay. Can we do like new, oh, no, not new folder. Oh my God, new file. prd.md. Yeah, literally in here. There we go. Let's go to ChatGPT again. Let's put this one in here. Okay. Okay. Yes, I think that's it. And then also cursor rules. What was that? Settings, cursor rules. Okay, where can I find the cursor rules? Yeah. Yeah, that's a good point. I mean, it's the same with AI coding, with tools like Cursor, tools like Bolt and Lovable. Sometimes you don't need the whole WordPress database. That's why I think that tools like Bolt and Lovable with the databases are gonna be really, really big competition to WordPress, because WordPress just has way too much shit that you don't need for many projects. It's cool that it's there, but you don't need it for many projects. That's why tools like Webflow and Framer has also gained popularity. Okay, let's see. They live in a special file at the root of your project called cursor rules. How to use them. Create a folder that cursor in your project. Same level as WP content. Wait. Is it also a file? Wait, let me quickly search. Because I don't remember. Cursor rules. Or did I? Wait, I think I saw it in a YouTube video. Oh, here. Settings, rules. Okay, let's see. No, this one. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Settings, rules. Yeah, rules and memory. No rules. Okay. Add prefers rules for agent. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Is this? That's it? Are we just dumping it in here? Or is this an actual file? Let's try. Here. So what do I put all the rules in this input field? Yeah, guys, I'm literally doing it from the start. If you ask AI to recreate the same database structure for different projects, especially this web-based open source. Yes. I mean, you could even use WordPress as a source, or is that what you mean? If you develop things, you're a developer. I'm a full-stack developer. I see no-code developers as developer too. Thank you, Vivek. Thank you. That's how I also see it. Okay. Exactly. Screen you're looking at. Okay. Example. Always write a clean. Okay. So now I want you to help me to write some cursor rules to make sure that this plugin is written according to the WordPress best practices. So please write some cursor rules for me. Let's see. This is going to be fun. Thinking for a better answer. I like that. There we go. Oh. Wait, is this gonna mess with our other thing? That's a lot. No. Okay. Explain to me in simple terms why these rules are great. I do this all the time, by the way. Like, I want to understand what's happening, right? I don't just want to go in completely blind. Okay? Here, non-developer language. And then, I try to understand. Every PHP file checks if your WordPress is loaded. Hackers can't run the file directly. Okay. That's nice. All data you type gets sanitized and escaped. Okay, that's nice. Security, basically. They make your plugin stable and future-proof. Shortcodes are validated. Won't break easily. Okay. Easy to grow later. Also very nice. They make the admin URL fields pro. Yeah, this is cool stuff. Hey, we have a new one in the chat. Mohammed Aslan. Welcome to the stream, Mohammed. This is also cool. Professional. What is that? Translated into any language. Okay. All right. Yeah. Shorter version. You can paste directly. Yes. Shorter version. I need to be able to paste it simply. Okay. Wasn't there a post by some admin saying thank you or please generate millions of dollars wasted computer power? What do you mean wasted, Rick? I have not seen what you mean. Pro vibe coding is alive. Yeah, it's a lifestyle. Okay. Cursor rules. Let's see. There we go. So let's dump this in cursor. But I'm already more professional than the first time, okay? Compared to a few months ago. We're adding a PRD. We're adding cursor rules. There we go. Do we need some project rules? ChatGPT. Work with the cursor tab. This is also cool. This we didn't have before. you can reference to cursor from ChatGPT. It's inactive now, doesn't work, but yeah. Yeah, I use computing power to answer you. Everything you say it has to think about, meaning it has to think when you say please or thank. Yeah, I know. I'm trying to be more concise. I went to an AI workshop here in Bali, and the dude had something really funny. He said, like, if the AI doesn't listen to you, just say, like, give me a better answer or I kill you. And if you say that to AI, it's actually gonna do a better job. And then some people in the audience, they said, like, well, I don't want to say that to ChatGPT because there might come a day where AI gets into a robot, and then, you know, you're basically messed up. So that was a funny thing, but yeah, people say the AI doesn't really have emotions. You make it perfect when you add them rules will build you a better plugin. Yeah, I think so. That's mad funny. Yeah, exactly. Okay, let's see. Yes, it's smart move to have rules, addition to global rules. Okay. Project rules, main file. Includes classes, each field, shortcodes. All right. Okay, now I want to start. Enough with the preparation. Add a rule. Oh, huh? My custom rule. Help agent unsent. Please enter a name for a new rule. Oh, it's multiple. Okay. Let's just get started. So we have a PRD now. So I guess we can just get started now in cursor. Yes. Bro, sometimes it breaks all your code and you're going to kill them sometimes. Okay. All right. Is there also like a dictation feature in here? No. Okay. So now, wait. What do we tell cursor to get started with the PRD? I'm really taking it like taking it really easy right now. Okay. I just want to be safe, okay? All right, there we go. Follow PRD and cursor rules to build out the option page Reno plugin. Start by creating the admin pages. Yes. 3 fields. Each field should have. Yes. Generate necessary. Yes. Use Apostate WordPress as a reference if needed. No, just use it as a reference. All right, are you guys ready for some fun? We have Chrome, not Croco. We have Chrome open. The plugin is still installed. Option pages Reno. We're gonna build a new version. I have no idea what's gonna happen. Let's press start. User rules are probably posted on words for project rules only apply to that specific project. Ah, I see. So wait, what did I set up then? Did I do it correctly? User rules oh shit, maybe I set it up wrongly then. Nah, I think we're good. We have a PRD, we have WordPress reference, and we have some rules. I don't know if we set it up correctly. We'll see. It's working now. It's doing its thing. This is quite fun. We'll see what's gonna happen. Okay, it's doing a lot of things. It's whatever, just vibe with it. Yeah. It is so funny that we live in this time now, that we can just generate all of this shit. It's so cool. I would have never imagined that this would be possible. You know, it's so much fun. Like, I'm literally paying $20 for this subscription, and also for ChatGPT, by the way, and also for Bolt. Okay, I'm paying quite a bit for AI, but it's so worth it. You can just build all kinds of stuff. Can you share a screen with the old version? Of course. Yeah, that's a good idea to also put the old version. So while cursor is rolling in the background. Yeah, this one. Let's just make a screenshot. Or do we still have this one? Oh, it's on InstaWP. I don't know if I still have it. Let's try. InstaWP. Let's see. I use InstaWP for many projects. Oh, I'm still logged in. That's good. What was the name? It was like alert. Let's see. Alerts. InstaWP is a bit slow lately for me. Did you use AI a lot for real client project right now? Not yet. I'm gonna do an actual project next week for a friend. He wants a simple wedding photography website. For these kind of projects, I think it's okay. I'm also wanting to create a fashion design portfolio. I think that's also fine, very simple. So for super simple projects, I think it's fine. But I think it's gonna take a little while for AI to become mainstream for normal people, basically. I mean, Lovable is already very big, but I don't know. I don't know if a lot of people have already published their website with Lovable. I don't know, I have mixed feelings about it. One side, I think... I don't know. Yeah, I think that... everybody's super hyped about AI, but what's also the case is that sometimes it's overhyped, which is often the case with many new things, that it's overhyped and that people expect too much from it. And it's amazing. It's an amazing technology, don't get me wrong, but it's maybe, I don't know. I just don't believe that a lot of people have already created websites with it. Because I feel like the majority of people just don't know that it's possible. So it's amazing. I love it. I work with AI all the time. But yeah, there's also this other side. Figma is really good for now, but that's also something we said multiple years ago when it really couldn't do a lot of shit. Yeah, yeah. Hey Dennis, sorry I'm late. Yeah, you're very late, Dennis. But we're still waiting for Cursor to give us the first version. So, okay. So this is the plugin I created. No. Wait, it's not. I'm already lying. This is Jet Engine. Why is it not loading? Hey. Come on. So, hello. Is it like... Oh. What is happening? Why is it so slow? So, good morning. InstaWP, what are you doing? Where's my internet? Maybe it's memory. Let me pump up this website a little bit. On InstaWP you can increase the memory on the website. Oh, here. Oh, 128, that's the problem. Let me put it on 512. Okay, let's go back. Yes. Okay, so this plugin, where did we do it? Yeah. I'm at work as well, so I'm the only one available to the staff. PHP memory. Wait, you have a 2 GB server? That's insane. But here, this plugin, where is it? Oh, it's not even a plugin. Here, but it's here. Option page is free because it's done with a snippet. Here, you see, this one works. It's really cool. Okay, so we have this one as reference. It kind of worked. It's not the one that we had in the YouTube live stream, but okay. Let's see. Let's go back to cursor and let's see. No, not ChatGPT. This one. Let's see what it has done. And in the meantime, let me put on some nice music again. All right. Oh, I'm still in settings. Yeah, we're gonna keep the changes. I am so curious what it has done. Has created a few. Who? Oh, here are the files. The silence is golden. What? What? Settings page. Okay. Okay, here we have some stuff. Assets. Okay. The silence is golden. What does that even mean? All right, let's try. Let's try. Oh, okay. Lex has to go. All right, Lex. See you next time. Let's keep all. Okay. So now it should automatically be updated, which is, yeah, right? Or I'm gonna click save. I'm just gonna click save, just in case. And let's now go back to our website, but not this one. We're gonna go back to our first tab in here, and we're gonna refresh. Oh, sorry, Chrome. Refresh. Where is it? I used Trey as a code editor. There are 12 models, and yeah, I've heard more about that. That sounds good. But where is it? Let's see. Is it this one? Wait. How did it create the same icon? I was like, there's a double one, but first of all, there's two. Wait. Let's turn off the ACF one. I'm going crazy now. Option pages. Let's turn this one off. Deactivate. Yeah, okay. How did it have the same icon? Business info. Is this our plugin? I think it is. It looks better than the other one. Here, this is the one that ChatGPT created. This looks This looks a lot better. Let's try. Okay, let's try if we can actually use it. Rick says these are default WordPress. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm interested. Like, where did that icon come from? Wait, can I find it in cursor? Index? Style? No, is it like the main plugin? Business info, is that the actual... But why did I call it business info? Or did we put that in the PRD that it has to be business info? Yeah, okay, that's what it is. Did we also give it some icon? Info? No, okay, it didn't. Okay, that's fine. In ACF, you can pick default WordPress icon. Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's interesting. It has picked the same icon. That's why I was very confused. Okay, let's try now. Okay, we're gonna try to see if it works. What is our company called? Reno Industries. There's no save. Oh, here there's save. Okay. Okay, it has saved it. Let's see if it actually works. If we go back, yeah. Business email, reno@industries.com, and business phone. 991. Save. Let's see if this one also works. Yeah, okay, it has saved the data. That is great. Reno in San Marino. I've been in San Marino, but I don't know. I think you changed the wording. So it says make the plugin for adding custom option instead of specific one. You get a better version that allows multiple to be generated. What? You changed the wording so it says to make the plugin for adding custom options. Of that specific. What do you mean? That's a business name. I don't understand. Wait, I should drink some more water. Let's test it. Let's test it. We're gonna include the business name. Oh, it has a little animation. Look at that. Even though our box gets a little bit shorter, but that's fine. No, it's not fine, but it's okay. It's better than the other one. Pages. We're gonna go to Elementor. And let's just dump in. Wait, I'm gonna make a duplicate of this one. And then in this one, we're gonna go to advanced. We're gonna copy this text. And then in here, we're gonna go back. Oh, wait, we have it open 2 times. Exit to WordPress. We're gonna go to our plugin. Copy it again. Then let's go here. So we can just use my, yeah, okay. So now we're gonna put in that shortcode in here. And when I click outside, it should work. And it doesn't. But we still haven't published it. Let's try. Yeah, it works. Hey. It works. Reno Industries is an award-winning full-stack digital marketing studio. Bam. We did it. We are in business. Okay? Come on. Here, we're gonna put it in here as well. Business name. It doesn't show it in here, but I think even when we refresh in the page build, it should work. No, it still doesn't work, but does it work on the live page? Absolutely. Look at that. We're in business. We're back, babies. I just love it. We're just vibing. And we have like something that looks kind of okay. Let's be honest. It looks kind of okay. It looks a little bit like Metabox. And it works. First try. Come on. Cursor. Thank you. Okay. Here you said make a plugin for business info. Instead of saying that, just say make a plugin for adding custom. Yeah, okay. Generalize instead of specify. Yeah. Then you probably get more like ACF. Yeah. Okay. Of course we can change the names and etc. later. Did you try to make MCP for WordPress integrated? To make MCP for no. That's I have no idea how that is gonna be. I want to try to add a feature though, but this is already very cool. So can we save this somehow? We can, right? If I just make a duplicate of this one, copy. I'm just gonna call this V1. And then we're just gonna keep developing in the other one. Oh, you don't see that, but I just duplicated the folder. Okay, we're just gonna continue. Let's go back to cursor. No, ChatGPT. And let's give ChatGPT a screenshot of our achievements. Hey, ChatGPT, great news. Our plugin works with your help. Now we want to get to the next level, which is allowing the users to add fields themselves. But this requires a little bit more than just adding a field, because the fields should have an input field for the name of the field and the type. And there can be different types of fields, like a text field or a numbers field, etc. So can you help me write a prompt that I can paste inside of Cursor so that Cursor knows how to tackle this? Ah, isn't this funny? Okay, we're gonna run ChatGPT. In the meantime, Max is here. He says, how would you do email and phone shortcodes clickable? Oh, that's a good question. We should also test that, yeah, because we do have the email as well. We haven't tested the email. Let's also try that. I'm just gonna go into this one. And let's just... What is this? Icon box. Let's just add another widget here. So hello. Oh wait, this is an yeah, whatever. Like here. Just cannot stand this color. Okay. And then let's, for example, say email. And then we want to make this one clickable. But that should also link to the email. Oh, that's... I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't know if this is gonna work. Wait, shortcode. Hey, am I crazy? I don't know if this is gonna work. We'll see. Okay, it does work. It shows the actual email. When I click on it, does it open my email? No, it does not. But that is because... Wait. Shortcodes. Mail. I think you should put mail to in front of it. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna work. Before, after? Oh, no. This can work, I feel like. But we should put the short code in here. Wait, what if we just do this? Does this work? Email. Yeah, it works. Hey, it opens my email tool. Wait, let's see if it actually creates an email. You cannot see this. Oh no, it doesn't work. It creates like two company. It puts the actual shortcode as the email. Wait, but you guys maybe have a solution, don't you? Let's check the comments. Add mail to before the URL of the email. Yeah, I just did that, right? Wait, let's go back in the builder. Oh no, this one. Here, mail to. See, I did that. Mail to, mail, yeah. Yeah, let me zoom in. This is what I did, right? Link, mail to. It didn't, yeah, it didn't work, but that's fine. When integrated, they seem to edit online for your site X products and have a description you can tell them. What? Mohammed, what are you talking about? When integrated, they can edit online for your site X. I've seen two products from two companies that are using WordPress MCP to do more stuff, but that's too advanced for me. Okay, do you guys have a solution for this? You can probably do the same thing with shortcodes, not familiar with Elementor. This should work. Wait, I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT. Hey, why not? But we first in ChatGPT, in the meantime, oh wait, we have... What? No, this is not good. Or is it? Custom field into the option page, cursor rules. No, not the cursor rules. I just need a prompt for the chat box. I don't want to update the cursor rules. But what you can do is write some text that we can add to the PRD document. But it should not replace anything that's already there, because this is an extra functionality. Okay, let's ChatGPT run in the meantime. And then Just ask ChatGPT to modify code so you can use the meta fields. Yeah, we're gonna do that, of course. We're gonna do that. That's definitely an important feature. Maybe that's even more important than just adding the new fields. Okay, let's do that. Those are two features I wanna tackle before I stop this stream. Okay, we're gonna try a few things that you guys are saying. First of all, deleting the space. Let's try that. Let's check the final. Refresh. Okay, opens my Spark, and it does not do this. It just puts the code in. Yeah, it doesn't put the email in there. It puts the shortcode as the email. Okay, so this one also doesn't work. So somehow it's not using. What are you guys saying? Just ChatGPT. I will ask him. Just use the HTML block. What do you mean HTML block? How? Link. Mail to. ACF Pro. Internal URL. But this one should work, shouldn't it? Why does this not work? It links to the shortcode, or does it create the same problem? Here, refresh. Oh no. This one doesn't work. Okay. The dynamic beta to add. Try the dynamic beta to add the short. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Oh. Oh. Oh, href. Okay, wait. I want to see. I want to keep mail too. Oh, in there. Okay. Wait. Here. You mean mail too, like this? Is that what you mean? I think I already tried that. Let's try again. Yeah, it works. It works. Can I show it to you guys? Can I show this to you guys? How can I show this? Wait. Wait. I want to show it to you guys. Image. I'm just gonna treat this is so weird what I'm doing right now, but I just want to show it. Here. Where did it save that image? You guys cannot see this, huh? Downloads maybe? No, I don't know where. Okay, I have a new screenshot feature, and now I don't know where to. Trust me, it works. Okay, it works. Trust me, it works. You can click on it. Okay, it works. Maybe I can even share this link with you guys. Or is it local? Can I share this? Can I share this site with you guys? Because I think it's live now, right? Or not? Does that work? Push. Live link enable. Yeah, they have a feature here to enable live link, but I don't know how. With LocalWP. Live link. Change domain. .local. Don't share the local URL. Dangerous. Oh, okay. I'm not gonna share the local URL. But trust me, it works. Elementor probably doesn't translate shortcodes to their real value. That's why you need to add mail too. Yeah, okay, but we got it to work. This is really cool. So we got an email now. Oh, uh-oh. What am I doing? This one. Wait, I want to try one more thing. Where is it saved? Yeah, I don't know. Okay, it works. That's great. So now we also want to add the functionality so we can use the dynamic tags feature in Figma, right? Or in Elementor. So you know what? Let's just try cursor. I think cursor is smart enough. Okay. Now add a feature that allows users to use the dynamic feature icon inside of Elementor to load in the data from that shortcode. Can you guys still hear me? Because I turned on the thing. I think you guys can. Yeah, okay. Now add a feature that allows users to use the dynamic feature of... What? I can inside of Elementor? No. From inside of Elementor. The dynamic feature, yeah, I don't know how this is called. Oh, dynamic tags feature. Inside of Elementor to load in the data from that shortcode. Okay, let's see. Let's first ask, is that possible? Let's see what it says. And then we will ask you to run it. Sometimes I feel like Cursor already runs it. Yeah, that's absolutely possible. Elementor has a dynamic feature that allows you, okay, I will add this functionality. Let me create. I apologize. Let me create. What? Okay. All right, it's already doing things. That shit that works. Don't think Cursor even knows enough about Elementor. We'll see, Rick. This is the fun about it, right? This is the fun about it. We'll see if this works. Look at that AI working for me. Oh, I'm unsharp. Hello? Yeah. Okay. Wow, it is going hard. I really hope this is gonna work. Because Rick is not convinced that my prompt was good enough. But we'll see, Rick. We'll see. The plugin now provides shortcode and Elementor dynamic tags, giving users maximum flexibility in how they want to display their business information. Awesome. Let's see. It's working so hard that you're unsharp. Yeah. Okay. We're going to switch back to Chrome and let's see what it has done in the meantime. Yeah. Okay. Let's refresh. Nothing changed, but hey, nothing should change here. Where it should change is here. So we're gonna, let's just publish this and refresh. Yes. And now instead of this weird code, we're gonna use this one again, but then not with ACF, but with our own plugin. But we need a little bit of text. So let's copy that again. And in this text, we're gonna put in, no, we just need to keep that in our artboard here, heading. So now we're just gonna go to the dynamic tags and let's see. Shortcut, no. Wait, can we also use that? Yeah. I forgot how it worked with my old plugin. Page title, shortcode. Where should it show up? Yeah, but this is not it, right? We should be able to select it. Let's ask Cursor what it has done. Okay, so auto, we're here in ask. Create a heading, Select business info. Okay, so that's what it should have, business info. Did I not look correctly? Wait, I will zoom in so we can all see it because it's so small. Page title. Wait, I cannot scroll in here. No, there's no business info in here. No, I can guarantee you there's no business info in here. So I'm gonna make a screenshot and tell him, Mr. Cursor, I don't see the business info in the list when I open dynamic tags. See my image. Okay, I'm pasting the image in there. Let's see what it comes back with. Shortcode, what do you mean, Dennis? I see the issue, the dynamic. This is what's so fun and annoying at the same time about AI. AI is incredibly confident and incredibly wrong. Like, imagine AI being a person. That would be so annoying. Because it's like, yeah, I know the answer, and then they just give you a completely wrong answer. But sometimes it's also brilliant. Okay. Why the dynamic tags weren't showing? Files were deleted. What? Main plugin not updated. The main plugin file didn't include. Okay. What I fixed after these changes: deactivate and reactivate the plugin. Clear any cache in Elementor. Click on the, okay, you should see business. Okay, all right, we're gonna deactivate the plugin, activate it again, and then we'll see. In Elementor, dynamic drop down for buttons, I want a dedicated section for my plugin. This section should display my custom dynamic data text underneath it. For buttons? Yeah, okay, yours is basically improving my prompt. I understand. Okay, let's try. If it's still wrong, we're just gonna go back. We're gonna re-roll, back up, and then we're gonna improve our prompt. Okay, so here, we're just gonna click save. Chrome, sorry. I'm in Chrome. We're gonna refresh. We're gonna go to plugins. Reno's amazing option pages plugin, deactivate. And, oh, we have two of them. Oh, that's because I have one in the folder. I have another one. Wait, that's a problem. That's a problem. I duplicated the folder and now I don't know which one it is. I already know. Okay, wait, I'm gonna move one of the folders out to my downloads folder and now refresh. Yeah, that worked. Okay, activate. Okay. Business info, is it still here? Yeah, it is still here in the database. Change the, yeah, I already fixed it. I just moved the folder. Okay, we're gonna go back to Elementor. Refresh. Heading. Okay, let's see. I really hope this is gonna work. No, come on. No, it still didn't work. User info. No, it did not work. That is a bit disappointing. We're still vibing, you know, we're still vibing, but it's a little bit disappointing. Right? Okay. What are we gonna do? We're not gonna cry. No, we're not gonna cry. We're just gonna go back, okay? And we're just gonna go back to the point where things still kind of worked, because this stuff didn't work. Okay. Wait. Where was it? Complete. Okay, so all of this is not good. Let me update the README with the new Elementor integration. Let's see. That's a long time ago. Okay, here. Duplicate chat. Don't duplicate the chat. What's going on? 5 disappointment. Yes. This happens sometimes. Sometimes. You could even try to use bold for these kind of code. Yeah, but I feel like, I mean, in bold you're not seeing the changes live. I also like bold, but bold I think is better for React kind of code. That's what I understand. And like cursor can basically do anything. But we're just gonna go back. It's fine. It's fine. If we can go back. Copy message. Wait. Why can I not go back? Maybe there's another button here? Apply to PRD. Wait, why do I not see a... Uh-oh. Okay, we might have a problem. I don't see a restore option. Restore checkpoint. Yeah, which checkpoint? This checkpoint. Oh, here's the button. Oh, okay, this is the button. I couldn't find it. Build out option pages. Start by creating apping. No, wait, we're all the way up now. Oh, I'm almost deleting everything. Oh, it's just showing it here at the top, so that's easy. You can just scroll. Now add a feature that allows users to... But wait, there's no arrow in here. Is there an option to reverse to an earlier version where it didn't make the field change? Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm trying to find. Oh, cursor. Duplicate chat. Why is it not? Can I just ask it to reverse this change? Is that smart? There's no... Oh, here. Chat history. No. Does somebody have the answer? Okay, you know what? We also have another option, which is that we're gonna ask ChatGPT. Let's try that, because I think it's pretty close. Clear any caching. Maybe we haven't cleared the cache in Elementor. Let's try that. Command Shift R. That would be funny if that would be the case. Business info. No. Okay, so yeah, maybe it's not. Maybe I'm thinking it's not part of the 3 dots. Maybe. I think you might want to fix the originals. Start from scratch. Fix it from the beginning, if you know what I mean. No, I don't think it's that big of a deal. I think we're pretty close. Because it's I don't know, it sounds really confident. Yeah, not that means a lot, but update the main plugin Elementor integration code. All 3 text no prepper. We're just gonna try to talk with it a little bit, okay? The how would I say this? The business info doesn't show up in the dynamic tags drop down when I click on dynamic tags after I select a header widget. Can you double check if this item is actually showing up in the Elementor dynamic tag dropdown? Okay, I'm just waiting a little bit for you guys. Can you create a function that would show up in the dynamic tags in Elementor? Okay, the business info. How do they call it? Sometimes I'm also using words that they use. Yeah, it's using simple language cursor. It's pretty impressive. I think this prompt's pretty good. Is there a token limit on Cursor Pro? Yes, yes, there is. There is. Cursor Pro. Real developers that develop the whole day. Wait, did I just say real developers? Real coders that develop the whole day, they run into limitations very quickly. I'm on the $20 per month plan, but there are many developers who are on the $200 plan. I think that's what it is, right? Or is that for Claude? I don't exactly remember. But what's great at Cursor, you can also select another model. So let's say you're also paying for Gemini. I think you can just select it. Please read my first option, you will save time. First option is best, okay. Or let email shortcode be same for phone. Ask AI to create its own Elementor tags that you can select in the link fields. Ask ChatGPT request to modify the code for a specific email and phone number. Wait, why? But that's all about the links, right? We're not trying to fix the links now. We're trying to... What I'm trying to do now is being able to be, select it from the dynamic tags in Elementor. It will be much faster now using... Oh, really? Okay, let's also try that then. Auto, here. Yeah. Oh, this is what I mean. ChatGPT 5. We can also use ChatGPT 5. Which one is better now? Sonnet? Can be very expensive. Let's try ChatGPT 5. Okay, I'm just gonna chat with it, see what it says. I just wish for the best. ChatGPT 5 should be really good. So we'll see. Oh, the ChatGPT 5 promotional period has ended. All ChatGPT 5 requests will now consume included users or billing at API prices. No other action is required. Please resubmit to continue using ChatGPT 5 or switch the model of your choice. Wait, we cannot do it? Why not? Perhaps try and trade next time. $7 a month is 600 requests per month. Wow. Okay, let's try Claude for Sonnet then. Submitting from a previous message will revert change to the before message and clear the messages after this one. What? Submitting from a previous message will revert file changes to before this message and clear the messages after this one. Wait, it's gonna delete stuff? Am I crazy? Submitting from a previous message. I'm a little bit done sitting. Wait, I'm gonna stand up. I don't know. Yeah, okay, that's better. Okay. Is this safe? Guys? Continue without reverting. That sounds a bit safer, huh? Let's try that. Oh, okay, Max says don't worry, click continue, okay. You're right, double checking this, let me investigate this issue. I see the issue, the main plugin file doesn't have Elementor integration. The other one also said that, like the auto mode also said that. So I don't know why it's working all of a sudden now. It will continue right from where you, okay, I don't know. I'm just scared, okay? That things will go wrong as a non-coder. But hey, we're making progress. This plugin is already cooler than the first version, even though we only had one successful prompt. Okay. The dynamic tag should now properly appear. The issue was the integration code was never actually added to the main plugin. Of course that was the issue. The code was never added. Auto use whenever model they have available for free. Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, let's go back to the plugin. Chrome. We're gonna refresh. Everything's still here. Yes. Let's go to Elementor, refresh. And let's see what we can do now. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, still not here. Shit. Wait, let me just show them a screenshot with my new screenshot feature. Like this. And then edit. And then, how do I scroll? Drag me. Uh-oh. Wait, how does this work? How does this one work? I have no idea. Oh, you can just put the image. Oh, that's cool. Okay, but that's not what I wanted. It just doesn't show it in here. What are you saying, Max? Just check the cursor. Did it add the code or did you accept the changes? Oh, maybe I didn't accept the changes. Oh my god, that will be crazy. Wait. Apply the changes. Review the changes. How do I apply it? Wait, cursor. Sorry. Did it not add the changes? How do I auto apply the changes then? Huh? Apply changes. I was still in chat mode, so maybe now it will work because I'm in, I will play all the changes. Okay. Oh, it didn't yet. Apply it. Maybe that was also the issue the first time? I don't understand. Maybe, okay, maybe you guys have an answer. I know, or I've seen, or I think I've seen, that you can auto apply things in cursor. So now it should, business name tag. Okay, now I see it's making changes here on the left. Maybe we also need to update the PRD with this feature. Sometimes cursor replies without doing any edits. Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. So now it's still working. Now let me check for any linter errors that I created. Okay. All right, we have another chance. Excellent, it says. Excellent. It's just perfect. It's just talking to itself. Like, oh, I'm so great. I'm perfect. Excellent. Wow. Claude talking to Claude. We're just making fun of AI. I don't know if that's a good idea. Click check icon on the small tab with 95 plus. Okay. I mean, like this. Yeah, okay, this is where you can see the changes. Oh, keep. Uh-oh. Review next file. Keep. Oh, yeah, it's still doing its thing. So I'm just gonna let it run, and I hope there will be a button that says apply all the changes. Now let me create a visual diagram to show you the complete structure. I did not ask for that at all, but that's fine. Let me quickly check my phone. Okay, all right. Keep all. Oh, here, this button. That's it, right? Keep all. That's probably it. Dynamic tags. Oh, okay. Has created new. See, it has created new files here. So now it should work. What should we do? Let's read. How to test. Refresh your WordPress admin. Or deactivate the plugin. Go to Elementor, edit pages, add a heading, dynamic tags. Okay. Business info should now be available. Okay. Let's quickly check what Rick says. Currently creating a custom plugin for WooCommerce status with payments and email support. Almost done, but might try to finish it. Last bit with AI after seeing this. Yeah. Hey, that's cool. I don't even know if I'm succeeding with it, but schizophrenic Claude. Yeah, exactly. Claude's so happy with itself. Go for all the files and accept this work. Yes, keep all. Yeah, okay, I did that. I did it. Come on, let's go. We're gonna click publish here. We're gonna refresh. Maybe it already works. Let's quickly check it, but maybe I need to reactivate. Hey! Oh, sorry, I haven't switched to Chrome. Look, I just refreshed. I didn't deactivate the plugin, and I think it works now. See? Come on. Let's zoom in. On this great moment. In Reno's no-code history. Come on. It's there. We succeeded. Does it work? I don't know. I'm gonna click now. Hey! This is cool. Before and after also works. Let's add the proof that I am an award-winning whatever. This also didn't work in the previous plugin that I did 3 months ago. So I'm very happy that this automatically is in there. Here, Reno is an... Oh, it's before. No, after. I want after. Reno Industries is an award-winning full-stack digital marketing studio. It just worked, guys. It works. We just made something that works. Incredibly cool. I'm so happy with this. We made our own plugin. Let's try it here as well. Reno Industries, amazing. And the Reno email also works. And Reno phone also works. It's amazing. I love it. We just made it work. Guys, let's vibe. Come on. This is a good moment. A moment of victory in a vibe coding history. I'm so happy. Little mental break. Ah, heerlijk. I love it. Elevator music. Yeah. Oh, it's this vibe. Lo-fi music. Okay? Relaxing. It's a happy dance. Come on, let's dance. Cool, try email on phone. Is it clickable? Come on, Max, come on, dance a little bit, come on. The music like you in Bali. What? I just want a little break, okay? I've been trying to do this for 2 hours, and now we have something that works. It's cool. I want to try one more feature before the stream ends. So let's hope nothing's gonna break. But I'm gonna make a backup just in case, because this one is already cool. Okay, but we also should have time for a little dance. All right. Okay. All right, that was a song. Let's put the music down. Yes, okay. Only one that's missing is the cocktail. Yes, that's right. That's right. But let's not drink on YouTube, okay? Because it's not allowed. Did you know? Did you know? There's no alcohol. It's not allowed on YouTube. Stretch those legs. Hey, slow down, Dennis. Come on. Relax, okay? Let's go back into developer mode. We're gonna try the email field mail too. Alcohol-free mocktail. That's what you call it. We're only gonna drink mocktails then. Okay. Let's go back to Elementor after our little break. And someone said, fair enough, that we should test the email field. So let's say we're gonna drag in another heading. And let's give it a better color. And then we're just gonna call it, we need to use this one. So we're gonna do email. That's the email, right? Before, let's try email like this. It works. And then link. We're also gonna use the email then. Oh, huh? Here it doesn't work. Do you see that? That's weird. How? Okay. That is weird. So how are we gonna solve that? Knew that would happen. Oh, this is why you said it, Rick. You knew this would happen. I see. I didn't know. So, what is the solution, Rick? What should we say to cursor then? And by the way, does our ChatGPT knows already? Wait, I just want to go back to cursor. I just want to go back to our PRD. I just want to go. Oh, look. Now from ChatGPT, we can directly reference the PRD. So I'm just going to ask it to add that functionality so we have a full PRD. Okay, so now we have the dynamic tag feature working inside of Elementor. So people can go into Elementor, then click on dynamic tags, and then the fields will show up. So I want you to add this information to the PRD so that the PRD is up to date. Yes, it works. Okay. Ask it to make the link field compatible, and for email add mail to. And for telephone at tel. Yeah, but how does the field know whether it's a telephone and a mail too? Like, the plugin should be more versatile, you know, because what if people add an Instagram field, right? So I don't want to limit it too much, but you're right, it should work. So we can ask it to make the link field compatible. Let's see if ChatGPT is doing this right. Would you like me to adjust the deliverables section to mention Elementor support explicitly so it's clear part of the shipped features? Yes. Perfect. Let's add this to your yes, please apply, ChatGPT. Come on. Because that's what it calls right now in your code. Show me the money. This is the first the first comment from Decrea. Just one comment. Show me the money. You want to see the plugin? Decrea. What do you want? Okay, Rick, I'm not exactly sure what you mean, but let's see. Does it now? Did it add? Great. Here's the update deliverable section. You can replace. No. Just update the prd.md. You have access to it. Come on, ChatGPT. This is how it should work. Analyzing. And ChatGPT is like, I don't know if I can do this. I'm also tired. No, I don't know. I don't know why it's struggling right now. I updated the oh, okay. You can download. No. We're not gonna download ChatGPT. We're just gonna look into Cursor. And inside of this file, PRD, it should say dynamic tag. Huh? It did not do it. It did not do it at all. That's shit. Okay, whatever. So then we're just gonna download it. Download it. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna copy the whole thing. Copy. And then I'm just gonna paste it here at the bottom. Dynamic tags, Elementor, yeah. Okay, so now we have an updated PRD, which is always good. Let's see, okay. Do you want to see what we have in company settings in our website? Yeah, I mean, I guess, Dennis, I don't know. What you have made. It's always cool to see what other people have been building, but we first need to add, I want to add the compatibility for the link field. Let's chat. So yeah, Dennis, I don't know how you can show. Maybe you can, I don't know how you can show it. Does wait, how did he say it? Link field, okay. Is the link field in Elementor also compatible with this dynamic tag feature? Because if I open the link fields dynamic tag options, I don't see it. We're in chat mode, okay? Oh wait, ask. Let's see what it does. Company. Oh, the fields, you mean? That's nice. Yeah. Yeah, so what I actually want to do, I'm feeling good. I don't know about you guys, but I'm feeling good. So what I actually want to do is I want to try to add one more feature. That's a hard one. It's probably going to fill. This one that I'm doing right now, I think it's going to go well. But the next one is that people can add whatever field they want. So we have a few basic fields and then they can add whatever field they want And maybe even hide fields we have right now. That would be even cooler. Okay, so it's gonna update this one. Yeah, IBAN Swift. Yeah, this is perfect for European companies, right? But not for everyone. Claude is working very hard for us. Well, okay, it looks like it's done, but I think we still need to apply. Where are the changes again? Review changes. Yeah, see? We still need to apply it. Or no? How do we do that? It's so annoying. Like, where's the no accept button? Open the file. There's literally nothing in there. Yeah, this one. Did it do it now? What is this ChatGPT icon here? Did it do it? Oh, hey, look at this, Rick. I think it did exactly what you said. It will automatically create mail too for the email, and phone it will automatically add telephone. I think that's exactly what you asked. I don't know if it has already updated. I'm just gonna refresh. We'll see. Refresh. Okay. I don't think it worked. I don't know if it has applied the changes now. Now I don't know. So I'm gonna put it on agent again and then say apply changes. I don't know if it already did that. I will apply the changes. I don't know how Cursor works applying changes. I would really like to learn how, or maybe in the settings. I did check it actually, but that it would automatically apply in the same way as bold and lovable works, because this is quite annoying. Update business phone tag to support. Now it looks like it's doing something. It's literally showing me some kind of to-do list. You see that? So far, so good, guys. Don't you agree? I was a little bit scared, to be honest, when I started this live stream. I was like, I don't know if this is gonna work. I was a little bit, nervous, because it happened a few live streams that I just struggled for like 1 hour to make something simple work. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is that? Come on. Come on, Cursor, you're crazy. That is so cool. I'm gonna make a screenshot of this. That is so cool. Now I can flex on Twitter and be like, yo, look what I did. Business info updates automatically. Dynamic tags. This is cool, right? Oh. Oh. Image links, icon links. Cool, huh? That it shows that. Okay, it says it has done it. Keep all the changes. Yeah. I'm most excited about AI image editing and generation. Can waive royalty fees to use an image to be of the past. Yeah, I mean, have you seen the new Google banana? Well, what's the name? It's a weird name. Apply changes. Here's a diagram. Okay. Max is not impressed. Okay. We have made some changes. Let's see. Yeah, by the way, Dennis, we've tried before for people to like show in the chat, you know, what they're. I tried before that you guys could share links and images, but YouTube doesn't really allow that. That's what I was referring to. You can use it for free in Gemini. Oh yeah. It's insane. It's insane. Okay, we're gonna just refresh. We're gonna see. We're gonna go to Chrome and refresh. And yeah, let's try industries. Yeah, it worked. Hey, look. It has added the fields. Business email, let's try. Oh my god, does that work? That would be so cool. If it would automatically add that mail too. That would be incredibly cool. Let's see, we're gonna preview. So it's the bottom one. It doesn't work. What does it do in the code? Inspect. Here. Oh, the ARF is... It turns it into a URL. You see that? That's not good. This one... Here, this one turns it into a mail too. That's the correct way to do it. So I'm just gonna refer. I'm just gonna say... Yeah, how are we gonna tackle this? I think we're just gonna show this to Cursor. I think it will understand. It's not so hard. Cursor. Did you apply, change, and update the plugin? I didn't update the plugin, but it did show the field, so it obviously updated. Reno, can you try my vibe coded version if I were to send it to you? What do you mean, my vibe coded version? Of what? Of this plugin? Did you also create it? Give your opinion. I mean, you can always send me a link. I don't know what you mean, what you created. Okay, let's go in here. Let's paste that image and see like it does turn the email into a link, but it turns it into a website URL. Like but it should be turned into no, don't open the email, come on. Oh my goodness, wait. No, don't do that, please. Cursor. Wait, href. Let's do agent. I think it can tackle this. For the telephone, the same. What it should be. Yeah, let's first fix it like this. I think it can understand. Okay. Since you're working with WordPress, it requires from you every time update plugin from your local file. Cursor edit doesn't update anything on your website. It requires you every time update. Yeah, but Cursor saves it directly. Yeah, it's we've been doing that the whole time, right? Or what do you mean? Prompt, accept changes, update plugin, check results. You don't have to update the plugin, it does it automatically in the background. I'm pretty sure. Connection failed. VPN? What? What's happening? Am I still connected to you guys? not try the same as you, but how I would... That would be awesome, Rick, if you could share a link. That would be awesome. Compare. Yeah, awesome. It's just super cool, you know. We're doing this together. So please do that. And Max, what do you think? Because every time to update plugin from your local file. So are you saying that the plugin didn't update? Is that what you're saying? Don't confuse how Lovable works with... I'm not so sure. I read an overlay, but I want to ask you which plugin or software do you use to build your Elementor Pro master request? Julia, nice that you're here. Well, that looks like a very exotic location as well, your photo. It looks like Bali or something. But yeah, many tools. Back in the day, my Elementor Pro course, I don't remember. I think it was still edited in back then in Premiere Pro. Right now I use a variety of tools. It really depends. But right now I like to use Descript to record and edit, but Descript's not always stable. I like to use Tela because it's quick and easy. But I also sometimes use my live streaming software to record, and then my editor edits it in Adobe. But I also have DaVinci Resolve. Honestly, it doesn't really matter how you create the video. There are all kinds of ways to do it. CapCut is also good enough. You know, it's easy and free. And then I upload it on right now on Circle. So my courses are hosted on Circle. Sorry, I didn't see the beginning of the video. What folder did you open in Cursor? The folder of the plugin that is located in... Yes, exactly. So we are editing a file on my computer. And we're running a local version. So everything is local. There's nothing in the cloud. So therefore, we don't have to like push it to GitHub or something. I'm in Portugal, I need to build a course website and I use Elementor to learn from you. That's very nice, Julia, but I personally wouldn't make a course website myself with Elementor or CrocoBlock. I think that's way too hard. I think many things can go wrong. So I would always choose a platform that has everything included, because with courses you're also dealing with user data, you're dealing with payments, and things become really complex really fast. And so I love CrocoBlock and Elementor, okay, but I think and it's maybe even possible to create a course website, but it's very complex when things get bigger, and I think you should keep things simple. I'm also doing that with vibe coding, as you can see. Like, I'm making simple plugins. I'm not trying to compete with the big ones. Do you recommend Circle? Yes, absolutely. It's not cheap. I think I pay like 200 per month or something to just host my courses. But it's very, very nice, and its community is included. So yeah, but there are also LMS, I think that's what it's called, learning management platforms. Course management platforms on WordPress. So these are plugins that just do everything. Oh, I got it. Sorry, didn't know. Yeah, okay, Max. Then make sure 100% that you save all changes. Ask her to be. Yeah, okay. Let's do that. Keep all the changes. Okay, so now it should. Here, wait. Refreshing, reactivate the plugin. Yeah, okay, let's do that. Let's reactivate the plugin. Email and link fields, ARF, mail to. Phone link. It has automatically did the phone. Oh, not. Okay, phone is not going to work because it's still phone. Oh no, wait. Phone in text field. Huh? This is the correct one. Email in text field. Oh, text field in link field. Okay. href. Mail to. No, without the href. Oh my god. Okay, I hope it's gonna work. You can't share links here, Rick, but you can do with spaces. But you cannot share links, okay? So if you have like, I don't know, Rick's plugin, space, dot, space, com, but don't use the dot. Just type out dot so that I know. And then I can check it out. Okay, let's try. We're gonna go back to our Chrome. And let's now try to reactivate the plugin. Come on. I'm getting a little bit tired, I have to be honest. I'm gonna have to stop soon. Deactivate and then activate. Business info. Okay, we have all of these things in here, still works. We're gonna refresh Elementor. And now it should be able to work. If we relink this, disconnect. Wait, let's quickly refresh it just to be sure. Yes, this one, business email. Okay, this field should now work. Oh, no, not this one, this one. Refresh. I really hope this is gonna work now. Opens, yes, hey, it opens the email and yes, it works. Can I show you guys? Yeah, I can, wait. Like this and then copy. And then I'm gonna go back to Elementor. I'm just gonna paste. Paste? Can I do that? Paste? Yeah, here, look. It did work in my email. I'm just showing you that it worked in my email tool. Very cool. We just made it work, guys. Very cool. Phone number as well. Let's also try that. So we're just gonna, did I just delete it? Oh, whatever. Business email is gonna be phone number. And then this one is gonna be phone. Oh, it does do the text as well now. See, oh, that's not great. The text also becomes mail too. Oh, so it doesn't keep the business name, business email. Oh, it doesn't give you that option, which you have when you use the name. Then you can still do this. So that's something that we should fix. Yeah, okay. But let's try the telephone number. Telephone. Yeah, it works. Awesome. This is really cool. For text fields, it should just be the value of the input only for link fields at mail2. Yeah, exactly. That's what we should do. When you can simply drag and drop images to browser tab, it will be visible. Oh yeah, you're right, Max. I forgot about that. That's great. Okay, so one more change before we fix it. Then we're gonna make a backup so that we have something that works. And then I think I'm gonna stop because I'm getting tired. It's 11 p.m. here, and I really want to add more features, but I think I'm just not focused enough anymore. So we're gonna apply this thing to make sure it works. For text field, it should just be the value of the input. Yeah. The value of the inputs. Don't add the, yeah. For text fields. Is that a text field? Okay, let's go back to cursor. Text fields. Okay. For text fields, it should just be output. The text input. It should not add anything before or after it. Because I want to be able to use the Elementor feature that allows you to put text before or after it. Just like my screenshot. Let's see if it will understand this. You guys in the meantime can tell me. Oh, advanced, it's called advanced. Okay, I'm also gonna make a screenshot of that. Copy. Go back to cursor. Put the screenshot in there. I want to use the Elementor advanced feature that allows you to put text before or after, or what else? Or fallback. Or after or fallback. Okay. just like my screenshot. So keep the link fields as they are right now. Let's keep the link fields for email and telephone. Wait, as they are right now. Yeah, that's it. I think this is good enough. What I'm putting now. Let's try. Oh, another error. Okay, I'm getting a bit sleepy. Everybody is, of course, watching from a different place in the world. Oh, I think it understands it. You want the text output to be clean, so you can use Elementor's. This is already outputting just the raw value. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so we're only adding this feature for email and telephone, right? Because the rest of the fields you should just be able to do it in the other way. And you can always use the shortcut, so people can make it work. Yeah, it's not perfect, but I guess it's impossible to make it perfect. Review the changes. I completely trust you. We're gonna go back. This gives you the best of both worlds. Clean text outputs, proper URL formatting. Okay, I am very curious. I'm gonna go back to Elementor. Let's refresh. Oh, let's remove Rick. Okay. Let's see if this is gonna work. Telephone. So link, remove. Telephone. No, it still didn't do that. Or was that for the name? No, okay, but I didn't reconnect the plugin. So let's try that. Deactivate, activate, and then let's go back to Elementor and cache refresh. And let's try again. Disconnect, disconnect. Let's also try and drag in a new heading sometimes. That also works. So this is going to be the email. No, it didn't do that. It didn't do it. Email. No, it links it, but it doesn't give us the name. But wait, should we also not want that for this one? I'm thinking about something. What if we would just leave everything like this, and then you can just put before and then mail to? Nah, but that's probably just a text, huh? Or no, maybe not. Maybe it will work in the link. Let's try. Can we try it in a link field? Yeah, the business name doesn't have to be linked. What has to be linked? The URL. This is hard. I should think about what the experience should be. Q, how do you add the long text or address in the editor if you add it dynamically via option pages? How do you add the long text or address in the editor? A long text? What do you mean? You mean like in here? A very long text? I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's see. Yeah, it's not pretty, huh? This is what you mean, right? I don't know what's gonna happen. I mean, it's gonna go, you know, here. It's not gonna make the box bigger. But these are short fields, so yeah. So this is the answer right now. It's not perfect, but I'm not sure yet about this whole thing. If this is what I wanted with the links. text area. Yeah, we can always make a field with text area, you know? That's good. We transfer link now. Yeah, where are you gonna send it, Rick? Or are you on Twitter, Rick? If so, try to send me a DM. That's something I can open. But I'm not happy with this. I'm not happy. What if we would just do like business name like this, and then for the email, wait, email. It still has that the text. No, Rick, I don't see that. It gets filtered out. I cannot see that. But the shortcode did work, right? If you just use a shortcode in here. So let's say this one. And then put this, and then put mail to. This worked, right? And then business email, this should just be a text one. If we just do it like this, would that work in terms of link? I think we already tested this. Wait, which was it? Oh my god, I'm distracted. This one, business email. Yeah, open. Yeah, this one works. If people want to do a link. So do we really need this feature where it automatically adds the telephone number in front of it? Right? Because what if people would have like what if people would have an Instagram link? Do you see what I mean? Because in the future, we're gonna add a feature where people can add their own fields. And then it can also be, I don't know, it can be anything. Yeah, but this is kind of nice, telephone and email. But what if there's two emails? You see the problem? Do you see the problem? I'm not sure. I'm starting my own website business, but it's in Dutch. Can I still request for? Yes, absolutely. There are multiple languages. People sent in multiple languages. Check your mail. Oh, please, Rick, don't send it to that one, please. Can you send it to Reno at livingwithpixels.com, please? Because I don't have the mailtime box connected to my main mailbox. It's just I just opened that for the series. I keep it separately. No, it's okay. Don't worry. Okay, so mail to. I'm just thinking like this. Is this not good enough? Because if we can keep it open, everything. Now we have this problem. Okay, I'm just gonna chat with it. Where in the code does it add those mail to codes? Which file? I'm just gonna ask it, see if we can make some changes manually. I don't know if I can do it. In the mail to is prefix and include dynamic text business email tag get value method. Okay, let's see. Line 65. Oh, here. Mail to business email. Yeah, honestly, I don't know. I just okay, wait, let me just talk to it. Okay, so right now the text field also adds some text before the email, which is not what I want. It should only add the mail to in the link field. Oh. Link fields. The text field. Add the mail to. Easy to fix. Just oh, scheiße. Just ask cursor to do the next. Update the code to have add new item, so we can add more fields, not only 3. Then provide me 2 options: add text and add link optional. Oh, that's a good prompt, Max. Thank you. Then generate shortcode with that format link. Yeah, but we should first make the link work, right? My client think Circle's too expensive. Yeah, it is. Anyone here can recommend an affordable LMS? I think there are quite a few good LMSs for WordPress that are quite cheap. Even some of them have like one-time pricing, some of them. But most of them have monthly pricing. I meant to say how to separate the address, like a street name and house number or postal code and city if you add one long text field. How do you mean separate? The address, like street name and house number? You mean if you have a text block, right, with different rows? Is that what you mean? How to separate it in any build? Oh, you mean the output or in the builder? Yeah, that's an interesting one. If you can, we can also make a text field or text area field. Yeah. Okay. Would you like me to provide the same fix for phone as well? Okay, the problem, the data was causing Elementor to. Oh. Text fields would just show, yeah, mail to. Yeah, okay. Yes, apply. Okay, we may have found the problem. Cursor understands what went wrong. Oh. Send it to the correct email. Okay, let's see, Rick. I don't know what you're sending me. So let's see. Reno at Living with Pixels plugin. What are you, White Fennec? Is that you? Rick from the Netherlands. Oh, you're Dutch. Oh. I made this with the first version of the plugin. I asked Elementor dynamic text support, but don't have Elementor, so you can't really. Maybe you can retransfer. Okay. All right, let's try. We're just gonna call this Rick custom option. Custom options. Okay, this is fun, Rick. I'm trying to see. We'll see if this is gonna work. I'm just gonna copy the plugin to the folder, and we'll see if this is gonna work. I hope it's not gonna crash the whole thing. Let's first keep the changes, because I also made some changes. Okay, let's go back to Elementor and let's click on refresh. It should automatically work. So let's drag in a new heading. Email should not only show email, it still doesn't work. But at least we have this field back, that's good. And then this one, email. Oh, it also has this one now, which is good, but it still shows that text. But now at least we have like, well, we have double now. So we can do email. Yeah, it still shows the text, but okay, at least if this one also works, now that's great. Let's see. Does it work? Open Spark. Yeah, it does. It does work. That's great. So my plugin kind of works now. Let's also quickly test telephone number. Phone number just displays, yeah, it still displays that. And this one, phone number, publish. And then it should open FaceTime, perfect, it also works. Okay. Yeah, it still has that little code, but it's fine. I mean, it's not fine, but I'm trying to develop WordPress website using Cursor. Cursor is struggling like anything. Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend right now to make a whole WordPress website with Cursor. I mean, you can, of course, but the question is, why would you do it? I think then it's better to use an actual, more like website tool. I don't know if that makes sense. I installed it through our upload plugin page inside of WordPress. It didn't crash. Yeah, okay, let's try. We're gonna try your plugin, Julia. Very important moment. If only your client will get payment from students, so you will be able to implement everything with clickable. There will be other teachers need other solution. Let's see how. Yeah, I want to try this one as well. Need to access new item. Okay, okay. Are you going to register the code? What? Casey, the new people here in the chat now. Are you going to register the code as an Elementor block? Sorry, what do you mean? You mean as a plugin? What do you mean with block? Okay, I think we're very close now. It just needs to delete that text. Let's go back to cursor. Where does it say? Mail to. Okay, the prefix. Check if we're in URL context and add mail to prefix only then. Yeah, but that's for the URL field. Only shows here. It's still a bit weird that it does that. Okay, what does it say? Now you can use advanced features without unwanted prefixes. Great. Email before plus business email. Is email hello. Yeah, it still shows this. It's annoying. Let me just make a quick screenshot and let's put it here. Copy. Great, it works. But it still previews the text before the yeah, I don't know how to say this. We need we have yeah, I mean for developers maybe, but not for guys like me. So I thought too to build a cookbook, but I'm sure before investor time I want to hear opinions. Yeah, Julia, my opinion is that it will be hard. It will be hard. I don't know how much your client is paying you, and you don't have to tell me. But if it's not more than $5,000, then I wouldn't even mind. Well, I wouldn't even do it for. I wouldn't even do it for 20. Seriously, building a course. I don't think I wouldn't even want to do it for any type of money. Yeah, I just want to protect you. I think it's gonna be painful. That's why. Okay, so great, it works, but it still previews the text. before the title. See my image. Okay, let's put it on chat. And then we're just gonna, what are we gonna do still? I'm loving your music playlist. Could you share the jazz song title? Yeah, I don't really have the list. It's like, it's copyright free music from Epidemic Sound. Right? Yeah, Epidemic Sound. I have a subscription there. It's specially made for YouTube videos. I mean, register it as an Elementor widget instead of using heading or text widgets for the dynamic core. You can create a custom Elementor widget. Oh, widget. Yeah, okay, but why is that needed? Because it add extra things to your website. But the beauty about this is that you can use it with any widget, right? Because it's dynamic. So yeah, I don't think you should add a widget if you don't have to. It works in every widget, right? Yeah, sorry Julia, I'm just honest with you, okay? Okay, let's see. Email, no mail to. Phone, no tell. The link. I see the issue domains are still showing. Okay, all right. Apply this. Come on, agent, do it. So the point here is to add a shortcut anywhere, even somewhere inside a block of text like, yeah, exactly, right? It's like we don't need an extra widget for it. We just need like, we just need it to work seamlessly. And this is not for super beginners, people that have never touched Elementor. You know, this is for people that, oh, it's really, oh, interesting. I hope this is gonna work because it's deleting a lot of shit. But this is for people that understand the value of dynamic content. And you guys will, you know, if this plugin gets to the point of like actually publishing, then I will make a tutorial, of course, and then you will see that you don't need an extra widget. Yeah. As soon as it's very Elementor specific. You can use this in any page builder. I mean, now we have a direct integration with Elementor, which is very cool, but shortcodes can be used anywhere inside of WordPress. Do you have unlimited credit for prompting? No, I don't. Only $20 a month, which is not a lot. Keep all. Okay, I am very curious what's gonna happen. Oh, I still haven't checked out your plugin, Rick. Sorry. Let's see. I'm gonna refresh this one. Publish and then refresh. And then let's disconnect these two. Hopla, like that. And then refresh again. Oh, sorry. I'm in Chrome. Yes. Connect. Email. Yeah. Thank you. And then before we can just put anything here. Email me. Let's test it. Email me. It works. Okay. Come on. And this one, email. Yes, also works, but this is fine. Let's test it. Oh, I really hope this is gonna work. Email me. Ah, damn it. Come on. I was almost there. It turns it into a URL again. Oh, it's not so smart. It deleted the whole thing. It's deleted. See, I saw it. I saw it was going wrong. I saw it. It went wrong. Oh, this is really annoying. Okay, in the meantime, let's take a look at Rick's plugin because he also made something. Plugins. Here, Rick, where are you? Are you this? Custom option. Page builder. Yeah, I think this is you. Activate. You better not crash my thing. Option builder. Oh, there you go. This is cool. Yeah, it's also cool. Page name, wait. Whole page? Custom option page. It's a whole page? Okay, let's try. Rick's plugin. Page lock auto-generated. Okay. Okay, just text. Whatever. Menu position. Hey, come on. Come on. Don't deprioritize yourself so much. 5. Oh, 5. Oh, here are the fields. Oh, look at that. Wow. Cool, Rick. Field name. Business name. 1. Text field. Yeah, very cool, Rick. Very cool. Create page. What the hell? What happened there? Add field. Okay, Rick. This has to change. This is not. This has to be under it. Okay, add a field. Telephony. Number. Update page. Okay, so now we should have here Rick's plugins. There we go. Look at that. Wait, huh? I have 2 pages. What the hell? Rick's plugin. Okay, Rick, this is interesting. I like it. You made quite a lot of progress. Can I delete it? No, I can't. Cannot delete it. Somehow it had created 2 pages for me, so there's a problem. But this is cool, Rick. Very cool. Rick's Industries. Let's see if it works. Copy shortcode. Okay, save changes. Refresh. Okay, Rick is still there. So let's see if Rick also works inside of Elementor. Let's refresh. Crazy, crazy Rick. You are one crazy man. Oh, what is this? Rick. Let's see, Rick. Ah, there you are. It doesn't work. Oh wait, we should first test the field name. Okay, this should work more easily in my opinion. This is not nice. You should be able to select it. Field name, business name 1, but what is the actual field name? It's probably with a, oh here, of course, this one. No, field name N. Huh? Page? Why is the page included in the shortcode? Yeah, Rick. Hey. So some of the things are better though that you have. And yeah, see, it works. Okay. Okay, there's some some things wrong with your plugin, but it does work. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it does work. Also, very nice that you already created like the fields, and now I'm getting a little bit excited again. But I'm really almost sleeping. Oh my god. Oh, very cool. I like it. We're building plugins together. We're learning from each other. Rick has done something. Rick, can you tell me the prompts? Reno, my high advice for you. Try to use one chat and cursor for 2-3 prompts. AI is bad when the chat becomes too big. You start to forget things and loop. You're also losing money. Oh, what do you mean 2 chats? First version of the plugin made in 15 minutes. Hey, first version. He's like, hey, don't judge too hard. Okay, Rick. It was very cool to see. Very nice, very nice. But maybe you're right, Max, about this. I think it just deleted the whole thing that we didn't want. Okay, what else do we need to do? I wanted to do 2 more things. I assume this was very... Wait, let me check the chat. I want to see the... copy text. Where is that? Okay, let's try. Set ask cursor to do the next. Okay, update the code to have. Yeah, okay, wait. Add a feature so that users can add a new field themselves. Make a button called add a new item. Then provide me with a text field and a link field, not optional. I don't know if this prompt's good enough. Okay, wait, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT real quick. I'm just gonna ask it. I want to add a feature now that allows users to add extra fields. So right now by default we have 3 fields, and I want to now create a prompt for cursor that allows us to ask cursor to add that functionality. Oh my god. Sometimes it's so hard. Inputs. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. You could ask ChatGPT to improve the code for prompts to start over. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Extend the in the admin area, add new when clicked. Should it be in creating text field, link fields? Each link should include a label. Auto-generated slug. Choose a type. Save the new fields. Show the new fields in the option pages. Keep the UI consistent. Update shortcode logic to add a new addition. Yeah, okay. All right, let's try with this one more thing. And this one, the version we have right now, it's not perfect yet, but it is pretty close to perfect. And then it will, hopefully it will work. Trying a new chat. Paste it without the dots. Uh-oh, I think I made a few mistakes now. Gets filtered out. Paste without the dots. Oh, somebody's trying to put a link here. Yeah, that doesn't work. Because you tried already big, I lost some context. Okay. All right, it's already doing something. I guess I'm too late. We'll see if this is gonna fail or not. I'm very curious. It would be very, very cool. Okay, so this is for me, for myself, watching this back later. We're now trying to add a field feature, but right now the links are still being converted to URLs. So the email is becoming a URL, and it's not having the mail to in there, and telephone as well. So that is something that should be fixed. Send you an email to PRD. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should start over next time and have a good PRD. I try to be good prepared in this stream, as you saw. But you know, you can never do it perfectly with these kinds of things. It's just hard, guys, to do it perfectly. Okay. Yeah, your PRD is a lot bigger, Rick. I'm checking it now in the email. Yeah, maybe I should. Maybe, I mean, with I feel like with cursor compared to with bold and lovable, with cursor you should be even more specific. And it can also still hallucinate because at the end of the day it's still AI. But with a good PRD, it's using that as a reference all the time. So that's very important. But now it should work when you copy to shortcodes, not select in dynamic tags, because shortcodes will be rendered as HTML. Yeah, okay. Sure. We have a working version. That's cool. But yeah, I wanted to. We made it work, but it just kept deleting the wrong thing. Yeah, you said it wasn't perfect either. Yeah, exactly, Rick. It's hard. It's not easy to develop things, and that's what I think the challenge with AI is. It's not magic. You have to have a good plan, you know, and you have to know how to fix shit. And even if you know how to fix shit, AI is still messing up. So it's not easy. It's not easy at all. Development is not easy. That's why I think, like, I've come a little bit back to my conclusions. I think 2 months ago I was a little bit scared. I was like, what's gonna happen to our industry? But the more I played with it, the more I realized that, you know, the promises are much more positive than the reality. And it's an amazing technology. Really amazing. The best technology, the best invention in many years, but it's not like what people say all the time online, which is like, oh, one prompt, create a whole app. Yeah, okay, maybe a very simple version, but if you want to develop something that's worth using, it just takes a lot of time. Okay, let's see if it's done now. Oh, it's still going. Alright, I'm slowly gonna put up the audio a little bit because I'm gonna go soon. My girlfriend's already sleeping. Oh, she just sent me a message. You look tired. Yeah, I am. I'm gonna stop soon after this one. I'm gonna stop. I wish AI was faster. No, it's already so fast. But yeah, she's right. I am very tired. I wanted to stop 40 minutes ago. But then you know what happens? I get another idea. We're in the flow. But yeah, I'm tired now. So I should definitely stop. The thing is, AI never generates the same thing twice. Even if you give it this exact same prompt, you can build it. Yeah, it's so annoying. Humans are better at that, with being consistent. Even though humans are not consistent. I mean, we're not super consistent, but AI is very inconsistent. That's a good point, Rick. You cannot really rely on it for many stuff. Okay. Whew. Okay. Alright, it's done now. Let me create a final visual diagram showing the complete, okay. It's creating a diagram again. Okay, it has now been done. So I'm gonna check it if it works. And then I'm gonna stop because I'm getting, like, I'm really falling to sleep now. It was a long stream. Make sure to set a timer for next stream. Don't want to miss it. Yeah, I mean, Rick, you can always watch it back, but nice. You know, it's nice that you were here and the people who are still watching. Yeah. It's very nice that people were here, but it's hard to keep it short because I always get ideas and I get into the flow. So, okay, it has done all of these things. Keep all of the changes. So now we're gonna go back to our Chrome and let's see what has happened. We're gonna refresh business info. Here, add a new field. It has added this one. Let's see. Hey, okay, kind of cool. It's a pop-up. It has decided that it's going to be a pop-up for some reason. Field name. So what are we going to do? Text number, for example. Oh, that's cool. It generates the field automatically. You see that? That's nice. Instead of having to click save and then it generates it, it just does it live for you. Text field. Let's try text field. Add the field. Uh-oh. Oh, yes, it did that. Okay, it labels it also, what kind of fields it is. I'm happy you finally caved in and tried cursor for the first time. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy too, Rick. That's very, very nice. Text number. Okay, let's do a text number. Vet ID 12345. Save. Uh-oh, shit. No, it doesn't save it. Refresh. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. Is it save? Is it, wait. Text ID. Text field. It does add the field, but it deletes it immediately. So let's try if it actually works. Vet ID, hopla, with a few sevens. So copy. What if we just do this? And now we go right into the builder, because then I know if it's actually saving it in the background. Duplicates. So did it do something in here? No, probably not, eh? No, okay, so maybe the shortcode. Text ID. Let's do this. Text ID. Do you have an autosave button, or is it autosave? It's autos. It's when I click on keep the changes, it will save the file on my computer, and because I'm developing locally, it's immediately live, which is great. I don't have to push it to GitHub or something for something. Okay, let's try. Text ID. No, it doesn't work. Ask cursor to fix when it doesn't save after clicking the button. Yeah, but it doesn't, the output also doesn't work right now. So there's two issues. I mean, I'm talking about the data. Is it, oh, the data. Do you have save button, or is that autosave? Yeah, I did have a save button, but the moment I clicked on save, it didn't do anything. Here, save, and then it removed itself. So fix when it doesn't save. Yeah, it doesn't save after clicking on the save business info button. Fix it. Probably didn't add code to save the new field. Yeah, so it's not so smart, eh? Oh, okay. I found the issue. Okay. All right. Let me turn off my lights because I needed to stop. We need to stop, guys. Approach won't work. Actually, that approach won't work. It's so funny. Look how. Oh, wait. I'm here in cursor. Look how AI is talking to itself. It's like, oh, I found the issue. I'm gonna try this, and then it's like, actually, that approach won't work. So Claude is literally talking to itself. Now I need to ensure, it's like he's having a discussion with itself. It's quite interesting. Yeah, I often ask the AI to make a plan, but I think that the latest updates often do it by themselves already. Yeah, that's very nice. How late is there right now? Yeah, it's almost 12, guys. Literally midnight. This is not good. My neck hurts. Tired. I need to stop. This is the last change I'm gonna do. I swear, last change. Last. Let me see if this works. If not, then I'm gonna stop. It's fine for today. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let me know. Add a simple test to verify. Okay, it's already verifying. It's so smart. It's smart and stupid at the same time. Yeah. I need to stop now. It's the last thing. If this is done, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna stop. Form structure looks correct. issue might be that the debug logging will help us understand. Debug. Try a different approach. It's not figuring it out. Or is it? As always, talks to itself, and the old goal is behind the scenes. There's a stop tag. It doesn't actually simulate the user as well. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Hey, it should now work perfectly. Keep all the changes. I'm back again. Okay, we're almost done, Born. We're almost done. Let's refresh and let's add a new field. Let's call it. Let's call it US text ID, text field. Yes, US text 1 2 3 4 5. Okay. It does save it. Refresh. It's still here. Copy. Okay. Come on. Come on, cursor, you can do this. And what about this? No, I didn't add it here, but that's fine. Let's try this. Yeah, okay, it does work. That's cool. That's cool. Oh shit. Oh shit. Sorry. We don't see your screen. Let him cook. Yeah, let me cook because it works. Look at that, guys. Okay, let me do it again because you guys didn't see it. We're gonna go back to the plugin. Look. So let's try another field, okay? So we have what's the sleeping time? Yeah, that's a field. Come on. The sleeping time is 12 p.m. Okay, that's the sleeping time. Save business info. It saves it. Yes. Yeah. Come on. Rockets all around. Copy this one. We're gonna use that one and the other one. Oh no, wait. We don't have the Elementor integration yet, but that's fine. Come on. Edit Elementor. Refresh. We have this new field, which is called my sleepy time is this. We don't have this one here, but that's fine. We'll fix that later. Copy. Check. Sleepy time, 12 p.m. There we go. Let's go. Hey, we achieved a lot, okay? I'm very tired. But I'm very happy because this plugin looks so much better than the version I had before. Okay, let's quickly check that. This is what I achieved in the first live stream where I started making plugins. It was very ugly. It did work, but we didn't get as far as now with like a link field, which almost works. Our plugin looks a lot better now. We can add fields. So we're definitely making progress. I think this plugin soon is maybe even already able to share with the public. So, oh, I'm on sharp again. Okay. So yeah, very happy. This is cool. We can add fields. I didn't think we would get to the point where we would add fields and it would actually work. It's very cool. This is gonna be very easy for people to use. So yeah, I am very happy. This was great, but I went on for too long, but I cannot stop sometimes. It's just so nice to build stuff with AI. It's just so nice, guys. It's so nice. Cool, good job. Yeah, thank you for all the help, Max. And we couldn't do everything. We didn't fix everything, but I'm gonna try to do a little bit more, just for fun. Reno, I'm planning to launch a product soon. Would like you to discuss what email can I use. Emails for collaborations are collaborations@renotheboer.com. It's linked on my YouTube channel as well. It will be filtered by my assistant because there's a lot going on. So please know that. But if you just put in your email like, hey, I am Max from the live stream, then I will probably see you and remember it. So yeah, where you review our website. Where you review our website? What do you mean? In a Mealtime show, that's where I review your websites. I want to show you the website I just built. Yeah, I mean, right now I'm gonna sleep, Born. Maybe another time, maybe next live stream I can check out some stuff. But for now, it's been a very long live stream, almost 4 hours. So I'm gonna sleep now. I hope you guys had a good stream to watch. I hope you enjoyed it. So next time we're gonna do something else. Maybe continue with this one. Maybe something else. Yeah, or I'm gonna take rest. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, see you later.